Yeah, man. Looks like Billy Mullenix was by far first. After Darkest Unite says, Trey, what is up, guys? I am starting on this What is this? Where am I? Let's learn the name, folks. Limgrave Tunnels, guys. This should be not real hard, but, you know, we did 3 not real hard things last stream, and guess what? We kind of got our butts handed to us. I think there's a... Good. 1 shot. That's what I like to see, folks. Give me that. Yeah, smithing stone once, guys. That's what we're looking for. You say, well, it's an astrologer build. What are you doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing. This guy's going to take 2 or 3. Nope, 1 shot. Love it. Easy stones, easy boss. I hope they give us lots of runes, guys. I hope they give us lots of runes. You got a stone in there, buddy? Trey, what's up, man? Well, guys, we got the band back together, man. Whoa. See, I'm leveling up this little stupid little short sword I have, guys. For fun. And giggles. Whoa. Whoa. Hey there, buddy. Good. Nice to see you. Because... Wait, let's turn the lights on. Whoa, whoa, we got rats. And they're chunking at me, folks. Hey, glintstone art, guys. I changed that spell on the fly, by the way. That's multiple spells from Charlie Sardo Gaming, something you never see here, anyway. There's nothing here, right? I'm here for some smithing stone ones, guys. I had to use my sword for the snail, so I'm like, I doubt I'm gonna need a melee weapon again. Melee, get mad at me. And so, because of this, I'm thinking, am I going? This is the way I came in, right? I killed fools up here. Yes, there's a fool. Okay. And so I'm like, let's just level up a little melee weapon too. It's a cheesy, cheap. Is this that place where you? Yeah, there's a drop right there, folks. Do we need to do that? Is that required? Can my cookie be peanut butter or snickerdoodle? Billy and I were here before the notification went. Yes, you guys get cookies. Guys, I got a cookie today. I thought it was a cookie. Here's what I think they did. It was the Mexican restaurant. Maybe you guys know what this is called. What's up, Charlie? Hey, man. Knox, Chris, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Here's what it was. Guys, it was a cookie about this big, and it was real thin. Thought it was going to be pastry. It looked like it had something on top. I was hoping it was some type of nut. When I took a bite, I think what they did is they melted brown sugar. So it was basically straight sugar. Maybe a little bit of cinnamon flavor in it. Make it kind of Mexican flavory for like a pastry kind of thing. But there's zero pastry. Pure freaking sugar. I'm not even kidding. With a few nuts on top, guys. Okay. I guess we can use the more accurate glintstone pebble. Okay, that was not as scary as I thought it was going to be. Give me that. Don't know what it's for. Is there not... Is there not loot back here? Show me the looty. Just this. Well, we're going to have our smithing stone ones, that's for sure. Hopefully we get enough money. What? This is a dead end? What am I doing? What am I... Oh, I have to go back. I want to see how this guy died. Let's touch the blood. Sometimes I like to touch the blood. Oh my god, he's over here drinking. He's getting beat on. And yeah, okay, that didn't work. Okay, so the elevator is a trick. Dude, I'll tell you, it was good, but it was rich, man. And you guys know me, like if I ever get a soda, I'll go ahead and grab one. Like, if it comes with the meal sometimes, like Taco Bell, maybe grab myself a Mountain Dew is kind of my go-to at Taco Bell. But guys, I don't drink it, man. I don't drink a whole soda, man. To me, that's crazy. It's just way too much sugar for me. And so, whoa, someone died right here. Oh, he tried to drop from higher, I guess. Okay, we got to make the jump across. Is this possible? Let's see if we get a run. I don't believe it is. Nope. Only 4,600 runes, and we got to run through it again. The problem is, not the problem. The easy thing is, I think we kind of know what we got to do. Hey Charlie, do you not After Dark on? I can't read that, but I'm guessing it might say Facebook anymore. Vasquez, I have moved the After Darks to here for now and for the foreseeable future. I've been streaming for is it 3.5 years now, guys? 3.5 years, and it's time that I get some presence on YouTube. If I would have been doing it from the start, it would have been a good move. It would have been great. I still have not figured out how to, because Facebook is wonky. Facebook is wonky. I am totally within the rules to restream to Facebook. Is it coming? To Facebook and all other platforms at the same time, if I want to. Now, which was not the case before, but it is now. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy there, Turbo. You seem angry. That guy woke up like late to the party. And so, and the YouTube is going good. We had enough people come across to have a decent start, and we're picking up more traction here, and it's been pretty good. And so that is my move. Okay, this is the way the elevator, and hopefully our rooms will be at the top. I don't see them. Will they be at the bottom? Are they going to be on the wall? Right. They're right there. Okay. How do you get out of there? How the hell do you get out of here? Is there another drop? There is. Okay. And then you call the elevator and you go back up and you gotta run. Boy, that looks far. I did the roll. Guys, I swore I would never roll the parkour. I swore I'd never roll the parkour, and guess what I did? Drew finally told me, just roll. And I did it. And it made the whole parkour so easy. To get to the bottom, you know, for the madness. YouTube is where the cool kids are. Adam Martin, what's up, dude? Kyle Gunther, oh, very cool, Kyle. Yeah, and we had a great chess stream today. Chess streams are still at Facebook, and they're going to remain there. When I say for the foreseeable future, what I mean is I see nothing changing. You know what I mean? Okay, I think this is where the boss is going to be. Shoot him with the pebble. That was good. Very low-level dungeon, folks. Low level. But I'm goofing with my sword. I want to level my sword up. Just so we have it. I was so stressed. Not stressed, it was a hassle. Look at that. Another freaking door. Another freaking elevator. A lot of elevators here, folks. It's a little crazy. No, this is Patrick, says Trey. What's up there, buddy? You're one shot to me. A glintstone scrap. I'll take it. And we were there, so we're going to run down El Elevatorio. That's Spanish, guys. That's Spanish. Now, don't tell me there's another secret maneuver. There might be, because... yeah, there might be. Okay, there's some loot there. Should I open... is there a door to open from the beginning? There's just a boss. Okay. I don't think I need that loot, guys. If it was that important, I would know what it is, right? What is this? Can you guys see this thing? I hope the dogs are up to the task, folks. We're going to two-hand the weapon. We're going to go in. Elden Ring, my jam, says Caleb Wood. Hey, Charlie. And After Darkers. Caleb, welcome, man. Welcome. We had a great chess stream earlier today, guys. Like I said, I won the tournament. I did not play well. Hey, Naywats, man. Naywats on Twitch. How you doing, brother? I got to look at that chat more often. I still haven't figured out how to make that chat bigger. So it's kind of small. So it has yet to be my jam. Oh, God. 2. He staggered on 2 hits, guys. Guys, we almost had to play Elden Ring right there. That would have sucked. We got the Roar Medallion. That'll be good. Not really. I don't freaking know. I don't care. I don't know. No more stones in here, folks. I leave no stone unturned or unhinged. Okay, we got enough runes for probably not even a level. Good evening, Charlie. Are you stoked for the DLC coming? Jamie Myers, I am so stoked, man. That was a close one. Edgar, thank you, man. I sucked at the game. Got a little lucky. Got some good RNG there, folks. With the stagger. I swear he staggered on 2 rock slings. Which, okay. He almost got me. Trey, it was horrifying. Guys, so Trey's here. Drew's going to be here. What time did he say? Did he say 9:30? Drew's going to be here in a while, guys. And then we are going to get the band together. And we are going to... I guess I could look and see if I can get a level. Because levels are more important than leveling a melee weapon that I don't even need, right? Yeah. Man, I missed a call at 3:01 p.m. Didn't anyone call me at 3:01 p.m.? That was an hour before the chess stream. How the hell did I miss the call? My ringer was on, I thought. Shower. I was in the shower. Guys, we're freaking 717 points away. We could sell the Roar Medallion, folks. Oatmeal Raisin is my favorite. Yeah. Now it's with the are those dogs now? It's
well, I took you for dead.
Good to see you, my friend. I hope all is well in your life. Okay, sell. See, I was selling stuff, guys. I was selling stuff, and I should not have been. The Reduvia dagger, the reason I don't want to sell it is because what if I want to drop it to somebody? This thing, the Winged Scythe. Okay. And then I'm using the Meteorite Staff. Probably don't want to sell that. Ballista Bolts, guys. How many do I have? 4? There's not enough money there for anything else. Shatter Shark. The arrows I think we need to keep in case we need them for something. Oh, we got stuff here, guys. Good. And we're using this Aztrologer clothing as long as we can, guys. This one looks really cool. Like, I might put that on and sell my Aztrologer. It's a little bit heavier. It does mass more physical. I'm not a melee build. I don't know what to do. Sell it. Okay. Now we got a level. And then we'll see. We probably won't have enough money to level our weapon. That's okay. Okay, Billy, I've decided on oatmeal raisin for the cookies. Kevin Cook says oatmeal raisin is my favorite. Jamie says, have you played Lords of the Fallen? I haven't. I've been giving it a shot so far. I like it. A little different gaming mechanics, but enough of the Dark Souls Elden Ring feel. Jamie, I watched some. Yeah, now it said Dogger Cat. I'm not really sure yet. It was an interesting emote over there on Twitch. It looks like a... We don't have to call it a dog or a cat. We can just say it's an animal. You know what I mean? Level up. We got 1 big point, guys. We got 20 Vig, 23 Mind, and Int is 26. So I'm going with Int, guys. Int. Now let's see how much it costs to level up a weapon and see if we can sell the clothes off our freaking back. I'm the Lake I brought on my way to Estelle. Nice.
Well, I took you no matter. Lay out your arm.
Strength and armament. We already don't have the money, but and that's 368. It's going to be about another 1,000 runes. Where the hell is that trinket I just got, guys? That thing looks like it might sell for some bucks. Oh wait, let me go to sell.
Back already.
Lords of the Fallen is awesome, man. I watched
Lay out your arms.
I watched Asmongold play it, and he had a pretty decent attitude about it while he was playing it. He wasn't like putting it down. I wasn't really getting turned on, and some of the fights, I'm like, I swear to God, I'm like, it looked like he was just hacking and slashing the whole time, like it wasn't even really fighting the boss. And then Asmongold's like, yeah, I really didn't even do anything. I was just pushing buttons, and the boss died. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not putting it down, man. I'm just telling you my experience, okay? And then I was like, you know what? Probably don't need it. Probably don't need it. Ooh, we got some stuff here. So, 500 here for sure. 300 here for sure. Good. I'm not selling my kookaries, folks. The cotton's almost not worth selling. Oh, I have some runes too that I didn't see. Okay. Okay, now we're at 1,500. Now we're starting to get some money. Ooh, 500 for Royal Remains. Dump it. Cloth Garb, dump it. Royal Remains. Ooh, dude. The Royal Remains is the holy grail of free 500 rune loot, folks. We're going all the way with this freaking weapon. Now, the Roar Medallion, it's only 500. Roar and Breath Attacks, not happening on this playthrough. Reduces damage and impact of headshots. I heard them talking about this on another stream. That's just dumb. Arrow's Reach, that one we're keeping. Counterattacks unique to thrusting weapons. Don't need it. Enhances final hit of chain attacks. Don't need it. And there we go. Now we got 5k, guys. Now we're talking. I was going to need about... Was it just 1,000 or something? Oh, this is the... Yeah, this one I could sell too for 3,000. Gosh, if I would have known that, I might have sold more stuff, and like we could have... I almost have a level right there, but we're going to level this little baby weapon. Then we're going to go do something else. Yeah, it's not much of a hack and slash. Definitely a dodge and attack type game, right? Right now, I could tell, and again, but like I say, I watched it, man. I watched a lot of hours of it in my casual off time, and I looked at it, and I was just like, you know what? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get into it, man. I mean, you know, we're going to have DLC at some point. Okay, and I don't have smithing stone 3s. We have 6k. We have no... That's not going to be anything. 200 points. Okay, we need to kill something else, guys. Did I not do something over here? I think getting down here is a... It's a hassle. I'm trying to think if I've done most stuff in Limegrave. I guess I could go do Sophia River, man. I'm probably not high level enough. Everything is so I think I only lost runes like once. I did. I only lost runes once, guys. I don't understand why I feel like I'm very low level right now. Does that ever happen to you guys? Where you feel like you're just too low level? Yeah, that's like probably the Mistwood ruins or whatever. What level CO for River? I'm gonna do that right now, and we can all learn. What level CO for River? 50 to 60? Plus 8? Well, I mean, I have a meteorite staff, which is worth more than a plus 8. But 50 to 60, guys. Like, what have I not done? That's a cave right there. Yeah, getting to it. I'm trying to remember how to get to it, man. Trying to remember how to get to it. I feel like there's something big that I have left out. We've done the catacombs off the lake. We just did the cave off the lake. I did both catacombs and a cave in Lernernanana. I guess the 3s are over here. I could run up here and do this. And maybe, because I'm still way too low level for, that's the Crystal Tunnel, right? I'm still way too low level, according to them, for Carrier Manor, which is a little bit rough. Let me see, status. Guys, I'm level 37. I mean, I feel like I should be level 40 or something. Hey, Cat, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. It's worth it, I think. Just be prepared to be extremely mad. It's very much an instant gratification game. It's like constant mobs attacking you around every corner, followed by boss fights. Yeah, like I said, I'm very careful about what game I let into my life. You know what I'm saying? Oh, isn't there a church over? Another church in Whispering Peninsula over... over here somewhere? That could be part of why it's a little bit tricky too to kill some of these things. No way. Yeah, up this way. Up this way and to the right, I think. Hey, Charlie and George. Yeah, I got you, Cat. Cat is here. Cat is in the house, folks. Looting all poopies. Yeah, there's something over here, I think. I think there's a church up here on the right or something. I almost have another level, so if we just don't, like, lose all our freaking rooms... the game didn't hear me talking. They could have tossed a fool some runes. You know, part of getting stronger is sacred tears and what have you. Oh, this is Rat. This is Rat Church. Let's go ahead and call the dogs. Let's get off my horse if I could. That'd be great. Thank you. Oh wait, we don't have our. Good, they're nice and low level. You guys could hit the rat if you want. There's a boss over here. I expect you guys to take him out. Good, good job. You guys don't see that big rat? You guys don't see the big rat? You should one-shot him. Didn't. I told you it's a big rat. There you go. Okay, so hey man, little sacred tear never hurt anybody, right? Flame of Frenzy. So is this where you actually get the Flame of Frenzy spell? You get it off a rat? So you see finish Liza P, but I think I did get burned out on it, man. I did. Some games get me. And some games don't. And Liza P was real. I mean, it's such a great game. It's such a great game. It really had my attention for a while, and I was tripping on how cool that game was. But then I woke up one day, I was done, you know. I took a couple months off of this for a while, right? And then sometimes I'll be like, you know, the other day I was seriously thinking about making sure that my Warzone, even more so my MW3 was updated. Because I've been considering maybe playing a little bit, man. Add a charge. So why you ask me then? Oh, there was no dog there. Okay. My flasks are all powerful, but we need golden seeds, folks. I want some golden seeds. There's a bunch of ounces now. You get a few of them, right, guys? Okay, is there like any wind springs? I could drop down here. I could just take a grace across the street. Let me look over here. There's a wind spring there. Oh, and you could drop down here. So this is how you get to that freaking, that cave? Or is it... Well... Woo! I thought I was dead, guys. I jumped at... Is the cave on that plateau? Or it's down below it, right? It is. It's down below it. It's down below it. Do we do jump parkour scenarios? It looks like a less of a jump. I don't know if I can get over there. And then you can drop down. Because I think it's... The cave is right over here somewhere. I just can't see the entrance, right, guys? Is it down there all the way on the bottom? New map on Warzone and everything. New season with the return of Fortune's Key. Oh, so okay, so I will need to update my Warzone. Do I want to go all the way down for this cave? Is it on the top layer, which not the one I'm on, but the one with my blue mark? Is it on the top layer? Is it on the ledge? Is there even a ledge down there, or is it on the bottom? I don't freaking know. I only have 7,000 rooms, guys. I only have 7,000 rooms. I literally want to get up on this jump. That was a good move. By me. Go me. Okay, I see a message down there. That means someone was able to make the drop. Okay. Now maybe right here. If I could fall, that'd be great. Okay. This looks higher than that. Will it let me get on my horse right here? Nope. How did I know it wouldn't? I'm already at 65% complete on the battle pass. They need more content already. That's awesome, dude. I think I screwed myself. Let's look and see. Yeah. I think my runes will end up on top of here. If they do, I'm going to be so... That's too far, guys. Got it. Woo! That was scary, guys. Yep, found it. Found it. A rock just fell. That was a little bit scary, guys. Okay. Let's go ahead and put our walking around spell, the glintstone pebble. We're going to be playing around with this astrologer. I'm trying to get a few runes, a couple levels, so we can move on. Finish Carrier Manor. Lenarnia. Okay. A little bit stronger than the last group. But there's loot over here, guys. Did you hear me? You didn't hear me. Yeah, should have heard me. Oh, I shot his body, folks. What is that? Smithing Stone 1. I kind of was hoping for some 3s, but whatevs. 3s are going to be in Lenarnia. That's another. Whoa. Dude, he just stood there staring at me. Just like time doesn't mean anything. Yeah. Okay, good. This can be a hard one, guys. We have to move very deliberately. His sister's sleeping, folks. It accidentally targeted the next one. And that helped a lot. Knocked that guy in his butt, dude. Close one. Always a pleasure watching your content, Charlie. Jimmy Myers, thank you, man. Always a pleasure having you around. We're having a nice, relaxing move forward with the astrologer build. This is my 3rd Meteorite Staff playthrough. It is a reenactment-ish of my very first Elden Ring playthrough, which was Rock Sling, Meteorite Staff. All the way. Astrologer close, guys. I never even learned later in the game that, like, it really could be that big of a deal to change your clothes. I thought it did make a difference. And, yeah, well, I was wrong. It's over here. We better drink up. Is that guy coming behind me? Ooh, look at this. Oh, we're going to get leveled. We're going to get leveled. Exalted Flesh. Whoa. Hey, what's up there, Turbo? One shot. Oh, we got it. Did this guy explode? He's got that thing on his back. It looked to me like he might explode. Is this a 3? Somber one. Okay, I'll take it. Tell me this is a dead end. That's what we're looking for. Oh my god, I didn't even see this guy. He's trying to take my health away, guys. Gosh, come on, man. Don't you hate when you look at something and you want to target? You try and target it, and then it, like, the camera whips you around in the wrong direction. Joe H, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I see trash up there. More smithing stone ones that we're done with. That's okay. It's free money, guys. It's money in El Banco. Banco. Okay, this looks like a new direction. Maybe we'll get a fog wall. A wall of fog. Oh, man. This is where the birds are. No? That worked out pretty good because I had wow. Wilma, guys, we have to find a physic for this guy. The best physic that I can find to use right now is my. Wait, I want the bird first. Is the one that gives me health. Like it's basically half a health pot. Like, what is that? You know what I'm saying? That's not a physic, guys. And I'm low level enough to where, like, an intellect physic, a free mana physic, one of them, either the bubble tier or the other tier. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's kind of nice these things stun a little bit, right? Okay. Moving forward in a forward motion. So in about an hour, guys, we are going to start the meat. The meaty meat. Where we're going to bring Drew and Trey in. And we're going to have some fun. I think I have enough mana to summon the dogs. I don't see the boss. We're going to two-hand the whip. And enter. I think I should be able to summon my dogs outside. Don't you guys think? We put in a ticket for that. If enough people complain. This guy looks like he's going to take real good to a rock sling if I can hit him with it. It's kind of close. The dogs are tearing him up. This guy's done. That was closer than I wanted to, guys, because I had to reposition, guys. We got 2k runes there. That is awesome. We have enough money for another level, guys. Let's get the hell out of here. Good evening, Char. Yeah. Yeah, man, we get the nice after dark community here, and Drew and Trey and I have my big bonk. Trey has his how do you say, Comet is your cheese build, which is no worse than my big bonk cheese build. And then Drew said he said, I'm just pretty much all around cheese. I said, do you have a particular cheese build on this character? He's like, no, I'm just pretty much all around OP. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, love it. Yeah. Oh, do we make 740? Do we make 740 subs? Guys, I know for a fact that I'm not getting alerts when people sub. And that's like one of the biggest parts of streaming. I saw a video where someone was saying most people have their settings set to private. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How do I get out of here? Oh, I was out of here. And most people have their settings set to private on YouTube, and therefore when they subscribe, it doesn't show. I'm like, all right. I guess it's a little different on YouTube. Then I watch other streamers. Boom, 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 boom. Missing something, guys. I'm missing something. I don't know what it is. It's maybe a setting in Streamlabs or something, but I have it set. I have it set, guys. I have it set. So I don't understand it. Okay. We went and saw... Yeah, we've been to that church. I think. Yeah, that's the one where we got the madness spell and stuff. There is some ruins over here that you drop down to for something. So there's probably maybe a little boss or something. Oh, we should grab the race. I mean, grab the level. I'll tell you this. Thank you guys for subbing. Everyone that subbed, thank you guys, man. I thought 4,000 watch hours was unreachable. Now it's just a matter of time. Just got to keep doing this for a little while, and we're there. Now the subs. Now the subs is what we're looking at, folks. So if you got a sub in you, you haven't subscribed, you like what you see, you would just be subbing to the best community in the world. I know it sounds outrageous, like I invented the question mark, but it's not as outrageous as it seems, folks. I really believe I have the best community in the world. You know, a bunch of just chill, like-minded, loving people who like to play games and, whoa, you know, build each other up instead of tearing each other down. Whoa, whoa, instead of tearing each other down. That doesn't look safe. Let's try this. Oh, this looks safe, except for the green poopy. Oh, there's loot over here. What is this loot? I remember coming for this loot for a build. What is it? What is it? Faith not crystal tier. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Coming for a build, right? Yep, and there's a dude in here. We'll just bring the puppies up. Just no reason, guys. And we'll two-hand the weapon. No reason. Quick, before his sisters come. Got him. Oh, that's going to be money in the bank, folks. That's going to be money in the bank. The dogs are eating these guys alive. Sorry, buddy. That one's scared. You know, something feels wrong about killing someone that's cowering. But if they're bad guys, I mean, you know, it's a video game, right? Just look the other way, pretend you didn't just do what you just did, and move on with your life. I'm guessing there's no downstairs at this ruins. People say there's downstairs at every ruins. There's a basement. People tell me this over and over. Whoa. Might need to drink some mana for this. Oh, look, we still got the dogs. Come on, dogs. Dogs, the fight's over here. The fight's over here. Now, what I got to do is try and kill the baby ads, so the dogs will take care of the freaking, wow. I'd try to dodge that. Yeah, you guys could help, you know. Take him out, dogs. All three dogs are still up. Oh, all three dogs are almost full health. We could just pretty much call the fight. The dog's got him in the corner, folks. He tries to get out. He's looking at me, but he could probably kill me if he could get to me. The dogs. Move the horse piece. That was hilarious, man. Today, Dave Joyce told me a great chess move in the game. A very simple, easy to find chess move, guys. And here's the thing. Dave Joyce is he's a higher rated player. So he saw this move pretty easy. But I couldn't. Wait, where'd I come into these rooms? Probably over there, so let me look. Let me check a little bit more over here. Dave Joyce is like Queen D6, and I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, Queen D6. It's like it's the obvious move. It didn't like win or anything. It was just clearly the best move. I was having trouble finding a move, and that's because I kept overlooking Queen D6. So I decide what I usually do, guys, when that happens. I won't play the move. I won't play it. Because if I read it in chat, if people are saying a bunch of moves, Knight F6, Queen E2, yada, 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 guys, I a lot of times don't even trust players better than me, which I should. But I am very, very often, I keep my own counsel when it comes to chess. I'm like, no, I got to play this move. If it's right in my heart, I got to play it. Then if it's wrong, when the game's over, I'll learn from my mistake. You know what I'm saying? So Dave Joyce said Queen D4, and I want you guys to talk in chat. I want you guys to. I want you guys to give moves in chat. It's fine, because I need to not look at chat when I'm playing a game. So I couldn't play Queen D4. It's okay. Jay Williams then says, move the horse piece. It's freaking hilarious. I'm like, oh great, now like I can't even move my knight. Now I can't even move my freaking knight because he said move the horse piece. And that would be cheating. Well, needless to say, I moved my knight if I wanted to. But oh, I remember this now. I already know where he's going, guys. Give it up. Give it up. Yep, he comes down here. Is it open though? Come on, buddy. If I go too far ahead of him, like, does he open the door or does he just lead me to it? There's a grace here and everything. Congrats on the tournament win. Thanks to some sound advice. Yeah, man. If you wouldn't have told me to move the horse piece, I never would have won the tournament today. I'll tell you though, I hate when that happens. I kill the baby. Kill the ads first, guys. Never forget to kill the ads first. Well, now I'm not killing the ads first. I'm killing a freaking monster, but the thing is, in this game, the babies could totally kill you. It's a lot of rats, guys. Better turn a light on. Woo! I didn't expect to get freaking hijacked and hoodwinked in here, folks. That looked like a trap. Get the budding cave moss. You absolutely love to see it, folks, says Jay Williams. Ooh, there's a stake of Marika. That tells me there could be a fog wall here, guys. Am I going to fall again? Oh, I see. So now you know. The pickled turtleneck. What does that do? Do you guys know? I temporarily boost stamina recovery. Ah. Did we grab the grace? Did we already grab the grace? Yeah, the chess tournament was fun today, man. It was a good tournament. The chess tournaments are usually the best stream of the week on Facebook. Definitely the... As far as the chess streams go, biggest tournament of the week. Now, I feel like there should be some ruins. This right here, I think, is... What is this area right here? Let's run across the bridge and look over there. I think we might be getting close to another level. We're going to find out. I think coming over here could get a little bit trickier, though, folks. Could get a little... This guy is the king of self-harm. He needs, like, what is it called? Better health? Maybe if I could get better health... You guys know that it's like an app or something? It's like a... you know what I'm talking about, right? If I could get better health as like a sponsor, then maybe we could get Pumpkinhead some help. You know, stop beating his freaking head into the ground. Because if I could do that for him, I would. I hate to see it. I hate to see it, guys. We're anywhere near it? We're heading right for it. Oh, Tibia Mariner. 4K runes. Let's get him. Stamina boosting. Pick up turtle. My pet turtle, Burt Reynolds, doesn't appreciate it. Oh, man. Burt. Okay. There's a grace right here we don't have. Let's grab it. And then we'll call the dogs up. We're going to put the rock sling on this fool. Now, if you want to look like a champion, guys, if you want to look really cool, what you do is you... The minute he teleports, you get on your horse. Run it out there. I have Arrow's Reach Talisman too, but I think what I have... He literally just disappeared. I think he goes this way, right? Where is he? Oh, we're in trouble now because the summons are coming. The dogs are going to be busy. There he is. Come on, dogs. That helped. I'm just gonna pretend my dogs are working right now. And I'm not gonna, like, you know, can we get a stagger? Oh, these things repop, man. They repop! They're gonna repop on me. Now, you should go away forever. We got some runes. Does this guy need a full kill? He does. I punched him in the full kill, folks. And we got some runes, but we didn't get much. You know what? I'll take it. Stamina boosting. Yeah. I've seen other streamers take that stamina boosting thing pretty seriously and religiously. Like before a fight, they're doing the pickled turtleneck or whatever. I got, ooh, 3 mushrooms. Mushrooms are good, guys. You know why? Sleep pots. Am I going to sleep pot the Godskin duo? I don't know. Ooh, here we go. We've been playing a game. We should have Stone Sword Key. We do. BetterHelp is a service for finding a therapist if you're having trouble beating the Elden Beast or with chess puzzles. Yeah, well, you just touched a sore nerve right there with the Elden Beast thing. Okay. Yeah, I hit all 3 of them, guys. It's like bowling, guys. This guy's still up. Am I not supposed to kill the turtles? Is killing turtles bad luck? This guy's not even attacking me yet. Yeah, so if we could... If anyone... What's he looking at? Guys, I swear that guy was going to attack me. If anyone knows how to get me a sponsorship with better health, then we can get the pumpkin with the proper therapist. And maybe he'll stop beating his head against a freaking bridge. I think that'd be great. What are your watch hours up to, Charlie? They're getting up there. I don't know if I need to say every little detail, but I'll tell you they're getting up there to a point where at first, when I very first started streaming on YouTube, well, I mean, this time around when I started streaming on YouTube, I was like, literally, this is going to take 10 months before I could get super chats. That's what I thought. It's going to take 10 months. And you know what I did? I'm like, okay, 8 o'clock. Every time I can, sometimes things come up. I have my open mic on Tuesdays and stuff like that. Whoa, get me out of here. And so I'm like, it's going to take 10 months. And I'm like, you know what? You don't usually freaking set goals that are going to take a damn near a year, Charlie. If that's what it's going to take, then get started. And so I was like, okay, cool. And then after like about a week, I'm like, oh, wow. This might be more like 4 months. And after like 2 or 3 weeks, I'm like, oh, this might be more like 2 months. 2 or 3 months. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely, and that's not even counting, it's hard to count growth, guys. It's hard to count growth. It's kind of like, it's compound interest. Kind of like, you know what I'm saying? It's like as you get bigger, you get bigger. You know what I mean? As you get bigger faster. Like, well, for instance, Scumpy, Seth Abner, Optic Scumpy. There is something over here. Did I not look there too? Or is that where I just was? I think it is. Okay, so I think we did all that. But wait, there's something up this way. He said, you know, it took, 4 years to get 1 million subs on YouTube for him or something, or 2 years, something like that. And then the second million he got in like, in 1 year. You know what I'm saying? So it's, and I really haven't been making a lot of VODs either, and I made one, and I need to start. What I have to do is I have to bring the quality way up, guys. Like, I need, if it takes me 3 weeks to make one good video, I need to take 3 weeks and make one good video. You know what I mean? That's the move. Is there an invasion over here? You guys want to take it out? There's a church involved, isn't there? Yeah. Rock Sling is going to be rough. We don't have a lot of pots. We have 6,000. Once we go in, here's the problem. Once we go in, I think our rooms are in, right? Oh, no, we keep bringing rooms to the edge, I think. They have qualified professionals to help you if your employee books a super expensive luxury suite in Vegas to get back. You like Ruby. I didn't expect Ruby to be that vindictive, man. Actually, I trusted her. Give me 2,000. 1,200. When I said give me 2,000, I knew there was no way that thing was going to give me 2,000. But you know what? It gave me 1,200. Just give me 800. 400. Yeah, see. I like to root for more than I'm supposed to get. The Grace is way back there. I'm going to run to the next Grace over here. And if you stay way over here, you can beat that invasion, folks. We'll go back for it. I want to grab a Grace, see if I can get a level. What Grace am I running to? This one. There's loot over here, too, and there's a big Marty bird. I remember the loot. I just can't remember what it is. It's something. It's not like cotton or something stupid, is it? The nascent butterfly. Okay, I have record of it now. Okay, 8,440. I don't know if it's going to be enough for a level, but we're going to check it. Inventorio. I mean, level up. God, 9,000. Every day the price goes up. I need like 650. I need 624. It's like nothing. Is there a vendor over here I can sell junk to? It's a little shacky shack. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lot of stuff going on over here, guys. Let's put a rock sling on this pooper. Wow. Little different level around here, folks. These things got the stam like Jagger, guys. Dude, that dodge, he was real slow, too. Give me 600 runes. 62. We need, like... Wait, oh yeah, I was asking if there was a... This guy's on my loot. Could be runes, guys. Oh my god, we got grabbed. No! No! Jeez Louise. These guys are getting freaking glintstone arced now, man. All of them. What's up, guys? Say hello to my little friend. Oh my god. But he's not getting... It's not exactly hitting the one on the ground. Okay, give me like a lot of runes. You got a mushroom. Gold rune 3 times 1. That might be what we need for the level, guys. We get a level. If we get a freaking level, we'll be feeling much better inventorio, because that's what we're kind of... I know I could just go knock a ball farm out. Oh, we got it. No, we get the level now, guys. We get the level like Jagger. Like Jagger. Here we go. Yep, it's almost 9 o'clock. Drew is probably preparing level up. I think I'm going to go int to 30 before I, like, maybe bring Big up to, like, 22 or something. And really, at some point, guys, putting a point in mind, there's nothing wrong with it, guys. There's no, or, yeah, no, I mean in endurance. Okay, so, we are definitely getting, like, some things done that we haven't done. I guess we could go to... Yeah, this one. What number is that? Number 3. We can go to number 3, folks. Who does number 2 work for? Do you guys know who number 2 works for? Anyone? Yeah. Not what I was looking for. Oh, I could have just jumped down, you big dummy. I think that would have been closer. It would have been closer. We're going back. We're gonna do the Rune Bear parkour, guys. I made a reel about this. I think it's on YouTube, I think, right? Is it a short? A short on YouTube. I jumped down here. I kind of missed the better part of the jump. And as I fell, the Rune Bear freaking tackled me. Like, as I landed and died. It was like 1,000% overkill. Of course, I'm like, what number is it? Let's go there. And then I already forgot what number it is. It is definitely northeast, though, so I'm feeling pretty confident about this direction. So when Drew gets here, we're going to log on to the Big Bonk build, folks. That is what we call the fun run. Although this run's pretty fun, too. The DRB, folks. The Dirty Rotten Bird. Where is he? I don't see him. What grace is this called? Graces you don't think you've ever gotten before. Okay, wait. He's still coming. He's still coming. Let me rest. Good. What's up, Charlie and Chillers? Drew, you made it, man. Drew, are you here? Well, I mean, I know you're here, but you understand my question. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to rock and roll? I'll park this guy at the freaking Celia Crystal Tunnel. Mr. Whipple, I believe, is whom number 2 works for. Dude, never even considered that. I'm here and ready to go. All right, guys. How come I've never jumped up in here before? And where's all the loot? How come Where's all the loot? Mushrooms? I mean, mushrooms are good. Sleep pots, right, guys? But... Okay. I'm just running to the Celia Crystal Tunnel entrance. And then I will log on to the Big Bonk, who is probably parked right outside of... what's his face? Godfrey. This is it, right? This is it. Cool. This will give me something to do later tonight when we're done. And oh, you know where maybe some of my money is going, guys, is is leveling this weapon. But no. This weapon's like +3 or +4 or something. I haven't spent $3,000, 2 or 3, and maybe 3 or 4,000 on it. You know what I'm saying? Where? Show me the front door. Guys, loot all mushrooms. There we go. All right. Logging in, guys. Bam. System. Quit game. Yes. Good. Made some good progress with him, man. We did that the hard way. But we're playing the game. I could have just went and done the ball farm. Or someone mentioned up opening the chicken farm. I never even thought about opening it up this early in the game. But I guess you can, right? I guess you can. Drew says, nice. I have 1.2 M from all helping kill bosses with you and Trey. 1.2 million runes? Caleb says, I was playing my son's character at Margit the Fell. He's like, let's just go to the fire giant. I'm like, we can't get there if we don't beat this boss. Yeah, right. Yeah, Caleb, because you told me your son's like, take me to the fire giant. You want to get to the fire giant. No, that's awesome, Drew. We're going to go to the Halleck Tree soon enough, folks. We have to load game. And this is my highest ranked character weighing in at 426. No, it's not. It's my second highest ranked character. Weighing in at 274 chess.com rating points. I'm orange like Oompa Loompa, guys. I'm orange like Oompa Loompa. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's do it at the summoning thing. Summoning pool. Let's do it at the summoning pool, guys. I'm gonna put the dirty finger down, and we'll see if these guys are here or not. Give me 1 second. Now, wait. And then I have... Oh, I just heard one. I heard one pop. Here it is. This looks like Drew. Drew is on the ball tonight, folks. Trey's been here for over an hour, yet Trey is not even ready. Hey, the Venom. The Venom. Hey, Charlie. Always nice to see you on that Elden port. Do you know when you will port on that chess piece again? Yes, well, we play chess Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. on Facebook. We played just a few hours ago. Sorry, excuse me. Let me give my guy a hey. Hey! Why does his guy sound like a man and mine sounds like a 4-year-old? Lure invaders. What does that do? What does lure invaders do? Trey? What's a QT 3.14? Asks Royal with cheese. What's a QT 3.14? 3.14 is pi, right? So I don't know. I don't understand the question, Royale. A cutie pie. A cutie pie! What a cutie pie! Hey, Royale with cheese. You talking about me? You're talking about my character. We're both pretty good looking. Thank you. Guys, I'm pretty smart. I figured out the riddle. Folks. Tell your friends how smart I am. Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. He's real quick on the uptake. Like when you guys, someone said smash or pass, and I didn't know what it meant. You guys were laughing, and I'm like, what? I don't know what it means. I don't know what that means. 72k runes on this character. That's nothing. What happened? What happened to Trey? Oh, did Trey say like I'm gonna log in or something? Or yes, Royale with cheese. Thank you. Joe A says I saw a clip the other day of a guy invading here with a group. Was in the boss room. He jumped on the railing and took them out with the Radon bow. Really? Caleb says, wow, 1 million subs in 4 years. 2 other streamers I've been sub to for like at least 4 years. It took them 10 years each. Yeah. Well, Caleb, if you were talking about what I was talking about, Optic Scumpy, don't take those don't take that literal, because it was that was more the point. That was more the point. He might have said it took 6 years to get the first million and then 2 years to get the second million or something like that. The point was, you know what I'm saying? It's like the more interest you earn, you start earning interest on the interest. You know what I mean? And so the more you grow if people like what you're doing. If people like what you're doing. But even if people like what you're doing, it still takes a minute. I don't know, some kid came up with some great freaking formula to freaking just break YouTube and got like 4 million subs in 2 months or something stupid, something crazy. I forget his name. So Drew. I used to know this guy named Trey. He like played Elden Ring and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Trey said he just finished updating his laptop. Oh, okay. So are we not ready? Well, I mean, I'm kind of hoping you want to run around and see if we can get invaders or something? Won't be. I mean, well, does it help if you move around? I could jump off the cliff. Yeah, there are stories about the man. I guess you say the man. I'm telling you, my freaking chat in my YouTube, the heart for liking something is on top of the last comment. Why? I can't read you. Drew's left comment. Can't read it. Cannot read it. Unreadable. Unreadable. Is there any loot we can go run around and grab or something while we wait for Trey or something? I don't know. Yeah, the heart is there for me too. Yeah, I don't understand. Oh, we can't even go out. Well, hold on a second. Wait, guys. Wait. Now let's try again. I gave it everything I had, guys. We can't break through. The freaking, I feel trapped. So it's getting hot in here. If I could just... Okay. Well. I guess I came too quick. I thought we were ready to go. Trey, if you're watching, if you could just give me an idea what we're talking about, just so I know if we're... And I ain't trying to rush you. Just ETA idea. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know right now, updating my could be total hell. Like, sometimes you gotta fix a whole bunch of stuff, you know? Whoa. Can I break this? Hey! Wasted it. You cannot further destruct it, though. So really, you can only disassemble it. You can't actually break it. I don't know. I think he's already made juices. He's probably loading it now. Right? He said he was done updating, so I'm guessing there. Yeah, right. Yeah. Cool. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark. Sometimes I do it in the mornings. I've been streaming on Facebook for about 3.5 years. And, yeah. We're having our first Chillers real life meetup. That is going to be... Drew, are you going to be able to make the meetup, Drew? Trey's coming. You should get with Trey, and you guys... Trey's probably driving together, so you, like, fly into freaking Houston. Drive up with Trey. Be a freaking blast. Oh, yeah, you're married with young kids, right? Yeah, I forgot about that. It's a little different. But that still doesn't mean you can't come. It just means that it's not as easy. Jumping in with a wild man like Trey. You got people to consider. I put the stinky finger down, man. No, I don't want to stop learning invaders. I want invaders. There's no invaders here. How come there's no invaders here? No one wants us. Nobody likes us. Everybody hates us. We're gonna eat some worms. Who the hell called me? 351. What area code is 351? Does anyone know the 351 area code? Drew said, I wish I could make it. I wish I could make it big time trying to figure something out, but most likely not. Yeah, Drew, cool. Maybe we'll get lucky, man. I'd love to see if you could make it. We're going to have a chess/pool playing meetup Friday evening at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. A couple drinks, play some chess, play some pool. It's the pre-party, guys, for the night before. And we can stay, the bar's open till 2. We can stay as long as we want. Then, the next day, around 1 o'clock, we're going to have a family-style picnic right on the water. And there'll be plenty of time after that to go and sleep off the food and get ready for the big show. The band plays from 8 to 11. There's going to be a band. And at about 10 o'clock, an hour before they're done, I'm going to take the stage. And I'm going to sing and play some songs for you guys. And we're going to play some music from the chess stream, as well as we're going to do a Hallig Tree sing-along, folks. Hallig Tree sing-along. If you don't know what the Hallig Tree sing-along is, I wrote a song called We're Going to Kill the Hallig Tree, awkward pause, tonight. And we sing it every time we get to the Canopy Grace. I think it's the Canopy Grace, right? Trey! Yeah, Trey, man. Are you almost ready to go? Drew says, funny enough, our software we use has seminars down there, so I'm hoping one pops up around that time and I have to go. Oh, that would be sick. Massachusetts is 351, so it probably... Well, I got people back east, guys. I got people on the ground in Massachusetts. It's not... I think they might have moved to Pennsylvania. It's not my buddy's wife. My buddy that passed away. It's not his wife, I don't think. Because I think I have her phone number. It probably was a sales call or a scam or something. Loading in Trey. Love it. All right, the dirty finger is down at the summoning pool scenario. Drew has been much more patient than I have. Drew is rocking... We said that's a glintstone or a lucette? I think I asked you this before. I don't know the difference, folks. I'm not allowed to have one. Meteorite staff for me. Let's go. We got the band back together, guys. Drew says, Caleb, I'm playing Cuphead, Minecraft. Poppy played Time 3 with my son at the moment, but strictly play ER right now. Was big into Oblivion and Skyrim and Dark Souls. Drew, did you see the Skyrim, what do you call it that we did? The Skyrim streams when I was trying to get into Skyrim. And it was fun at the beginning. I was engaged. Riding in the back of the little cart, you know, fixing to get my head chopped off. And luckily we got attacked by a dragon. I liked it. I got out of the starting area. Then I just couldn't do it. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, guys. Remember what happened last time? Because I don't. I want a good, clean fight. I want as much cheese as you're willing to do. Just remember, if we spread out too much, he's going to spam the foot stomp. And Charlie's going to cry like a baby like he did last time. Okay, as long as we got that clear. Because I don't want to fully tear up. try to hit me. Horloo! Okay, don't get grabbed. Don't get grabbed. Guys, that's gaming at its best. Only here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. I haven't died yet today, have I? I had to add some deaths because I died a few times last stream. Jeff, let me tell you something, Jeff. Last time, we died to him twice. This time, we all came in on top of our game. Now I fight is Horapoo. Get ready to run away, folks. He did, man. Yep. I don't think he hit me either. A little different than last time, guys. Now, I fight as Horapoo.
Given thee courtesy enough.
Okay. This guy's not going to say stay too still for your scenario. I have to remember more than anything, I got to stare at this guy. And I gotta jump and roll when he stomps his freaking foot. Because man, oh man. And I need to not panic roll when he goes into the ground. Because that's what I do. And they time it. They time it. They time it to get you to panic roll. And then when you're done panic rolling, they kill you. I guarantee they do. They do. They know what they're doing. Running away. Okay, I almost died. No! Someone got grabbed. He got me with the roar! He got me with the roar again. Got me. Am I dead? He got me. Ha! Okay. It's the last time I killed this guy was with a caster. Dude. I was in my menu and get stomped on twice. You were in your menu. Hulk Hogan was not happy. That was awesome. I got greedy with my helmet swap. Well, I almost died on a pull, so you guys didn't do anything wrong. You guys, as a matter of fact, you saved me big time. You saved me big time. Looking. I have to put it down again. Oh, and we have to lure invaders again, too. Okay. Got them both here. That was awesome, though. That was freaking awesome. Oh, that was fun. That was excellent. What I needed to do was run away from him. I was just trying to kill him, which is dumb. Because I don't have the skills to just stand there and go one-on-one with him. I needed to run away from him, and then like when he bum rushes me. Come on! Oh my God! Messages. Wrong button. I think he's gonna stomp. I think he might stomp. Is he gonna stomp us? I'm gonna go, guys. Ready? I try to dodge it. Okay. Oh god, I can't die. Get him. Got him! Alright, now for some Radagon Elden Beast, baby. Nice! I cannot time these stomps. I'll tell you, on my last playthrough, I put a VOD up on YouTube. And it's like, I don't know, 8 minutes long or something. I think something like that. And you kind of see me get better. And you see me freaking... You would be so proud of me on the stumps. On the stomps, man. I'm rolling stomps. I'm freaking jumping stomps. I'm freaking... He stomps. I shoot him. He stomps again. I jump again. It's pretty good, man. Pretty good on Horlu. But the strat with that is you just stay the hell away from him. And then when he goes for grabs, you just punish him a little bit. And it's pretty easy. Oh, wait. I got runes over here. 506,000. But these are not... Or maybe they are. Yeah, 72k. Okay, so where do I put the finger down now? Like right here at the Grace? Do we... Are you guys over here? Should I just run back down? At least I helped in phase 1. Fell in them fools. Let's go. Dude, Radagon's gonna be freaking hilarious, man. At the Radagon fog wall. Oh, all the way up. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. Trey's at the summoning pool. Cool, cool. Next time from now on, we'll do it at the fog wall. This is the summoning pool, or is... Oh, there's a summoning pool for Radagon. Trey got the poopies on him, man. Got you. Yeah, I saw Trey get the poopies pretty nice in phase 1. I'll tell you, I want to get in there and whack stuff. But I also don't want to die. You know what I'm saying? I was close a couple times, guys, or at least once. I think I got you both. Prepare. Ooh, you know what I should do? Switch. Look at all those rooms, man. Exalted flesh. Temporarily boost some physical attack, guys. Okay. Buffing up. This is so cheesy. Let's go! I want this guy toast. Not sure if we should use Scepter. It lowers our holy. Area code 351 is in Lowell, Massachusetts. Thank you, Caleb. Okay, guys, we're going in. I try to jump. That was my bubble. You still alive, Trey? Gosh, how many times I got a Royal Knight's Resolve? There we go. I'm getting grabbed! I knew it. Guys, I got a ton of stam, though. I got a ton of stam. So, get... Oh, she almost knocked me off the world, guys. I got a flame grant me strength off. You guys ready? Let's roll. He's gonna be mad. He's gonna be really mad, guys. Sucker. I didn't know how to dodge that, but I know I want to whack him one time. Where'd he go? Trey's going down! What do you think, Drew? What do you think, Drew? How much time you got, Drew? How much time you got, Drew? You got time to go pick up Trey? He's got time, guys. He's got time. He stayed in the poopy. All right, guys. I'm going to go get my poopy now. Guys, I have a lot of vig. Okay, so it takes a few seconds. Yeah. Guys, we will leave no man behind. We are going to go back and pick up our friend Trey. I really didn't feel like I got to experience Radagon very much anyway. Let's freaking go. We got this. We got this, guys. We had him 50%. Trey went down. I think Trey missed 2 or 3 in a row, but I'll tell you this. The belly flop for me on my NG plus 8, it kills me every time no matter what. I guess if I had a bubble on, it might not kill me. The belly flop kills me every time. The belly flop is just like the grab. Oh, wait. I got to put it down again. The belly flop's like the grab. Those are the things that kill me. Belly flop and grab. Even with a ton of vig doesn't help. Alright, guys. Getting ready for Radagon Part 2. With X. Part 2, folks. Say it. D. Part 2. Okay. Buffing. Let's do this! Let's freaking go! The band is back together, folks. I'm dead. Okay, I was a little aggressive. Okay. You know what? I was a little aggressive. I'll take it a little bit more like Malena, because I started going at him and he looked right at me. And I just ran in to jump. And actually, the first jump attack wasn't even the end of the world. I just was trying to tank him, and that's dumb. I got to keep him a little more confused. Keep him a little more confused. Don't give him an easy target. It worked the first time, but it's okay. We have more Exalted Fleshes. Radagon doesn't like those bonks. No, he shuts me down. I think Jupiter gave a side eye on that attempt. Wait, let's see. Yeah, he's pretty upset, guys. See his little side eye? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. That was my fault. I mean, well, hey, you know, the dam was good, but, you know, if you lose, you lose. Okay, just to make this a little more exciting, I'm burning a rune arc. Let's see. Oh my god! I don't even know if that was Morgoth's. I think it has to be. I've had plenty of time to get the proper great rune. I'll try not to die. Dang, some of these moves I've never seen him do. He's a little confused, Caleb, because he's mad. This is NG plus 3, I think. He's mad. NG plus 3, and there's 3 of us, man. Okay, that was my bubble. The best time to attack Radagon when you're playing with the team is when Radagon's not looking at you, just like Millennia. And if you keep him spinning... Oh. Those guys got their buffs off. The band keeps on playing, folks. I think I wasted a health pot there. I got Exalted Flesh off, so that's good. Call from Massachusetts was the bot while sending a warning about my horse Manunu recommendations. Probably it was chess.com. They're going like, we heard someone told you to move the horse piece. And we need to talk to you about it. Hans Niemann wants to talk about it. Okay, guys, you ready? Here we go. Second verse. Same as the first. Get your stand back. You're gonna need it. The big fire poopy. Why couldn't I jump? Somebody got grabbed. No one got grabbed. He got me with the belly flop. Kill him! He's gonna get us! Dude! That was an awesome panic kill at the end, man. I felt like that greased up sword was going to do some damn. Guys, in the A team, lives again. That was freaking awesome. I'd say let's go do Melinda, no, but she's already dead. She's already dead. The A-Team. That was freaking awesome, guys. That was fun, man. I love the way that Trey saved the freaking... Trey saved the carminesardo for the end. Did you plan that, Trey? Were you like, I'm going to wait till he's about 20% and then I'm going to hit him with the freaking... Caleb Boyd says, I don't know why what I was watching was behind what was really happening. I didn't even rewind it. Yeah, that I don't know. The Lich Dragon needs to stop grabbing the band members. Damn, did not expect that. Nice. That was fun, guys. I stayed in, man. He started greasing up that thing all yellowy, and then I saw Trey's freaking carminesardo, and I'm like, I'm just going to stay in. I got a couple good whacks off already. You did plan that, Trey. I love it. The timing couldn't have been better because I just got to him and hit him with the good one. Got him with a couple more. He took a lot of damn at the end. I'm looking forward to looking at the end of that because we all were freaking nuking him at the end there pretty good, I think. Yeah, that was pretty nice, man. That was pretty freaking nice. I don't think we planned anything special for the ending. Is there any blue poopies, guys? Is there any blue poopies? I don't see blue poopies. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I seem to remember some blue, like, they look like summon sign, blue message things. And they had something to do with the ending or something, right? But I don't see any blue poopies. Did we get the grace already, guys? No. Okay. Let's go ahead and see the ending, guys. Mr. Taylor. Jackery Taylor. Guys, we're going to mend the Elden Ring. Wait. Touch the fractured Marika. Mend the Elden Ring. What's next on the agenda? That playthrough's done, man. That was number 19. The Lake of Rot with me. Dude, no way, man. I got enough points for everybody. I'll just bust a flame cleanse me. So I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. We're mending the Elden Ring, folks, after all that work and all that breaking stuff. Dude, Lake of Rot sounds good. Cool, that's fun, man. Yeah. I almost want to skip the ending. I want to play Lake of Rot. I don't have it on this character, apparently. Gonna switch. Lake of Rot to Estelle to Ranni's Church Dragons. Let's just start. We'll start the path. You tell us where to go and where to put the dirty finger down. Oh, I think I took my finger off my bar. You guys are gonna have to tell me.
Of how a tarnished became Elden Lord.
That's me they're talking about. I'm the 19th Elden Lord in my house.
The fog, the lands between. Our seed will look back upon us and recall an age of fracture.
Nice, Jay. There's me with my helmet on. And my jump attack feathers. Yeah, man. The endings are cool, but I gotta tell you something. They should give you longer endings, I think. Remember that these used to be silent, guys, because I always had the music off. And I thought it was just silent. And I thought it was so awesome. And I realized the music was off. Okay. Sorry, guys. Now, if I'm going to help you, I don't have to begin Journey. I don't want to begin Journey 5, right? Because then, am I going to get invaded or anything weird? No. Okay, I had something up. It's Inventorio. And it is this finger. Creates a summon sign for cooperative multiplayer. That's it. Okay. Where do I put it though? Because all my... Well, you guys aren't helping me anymore. So let's switch this with that. There we go. Okay, so you said Lake of Rot. Is that upstairs or downstairs? Lake of... Wait, do I even have that? I have Starfall Crater. If I haven't done Nokron, can I do Lake of Rot? Let me see if I've done that on this character. No, I don't have it. I don't have the grace, man. I don't have it. Oh, I could probably go on another character though, right? Yeah, that'll be fun. System. Quit game. Yes. Yeah. I'll bring the Snow Witch. It'll be freaking magical. No. I don't have it there. I'll be there. I'll be right there. No. I'll be right there, guys. I know there's a delay. Yeah, I'll be right there though. Just let me just load up my Snow Witch. And wait. Load game. Unless there's something else interesting. Smokey's 160. Tom and Perry. Except I don't know what these guys have. And Smokey was the bandit. Right? That's easy to remember. This guy's got all his clothes off. Yeah, this will be good. Okay. Now. I don't have it. Do you get there from here? What did I do wrong? I didn't finish this? Why did I even come here? Yeah, guys. I don't know if I have the, wait. Let me try one more character. Well, right card is in Volcano Manor, right? Wouldn't that be part of it? I was looking at Deep Root Depths, but I didn't have a grace anywhere on the little island, continent, whatever you want to call it, that was Lake of Rot. How do you get that grace? You don't you get it through Deep Root Depth? Deep Root Depth. This is 274, 243. Okay, this guy could put his clothes on you. I looked at Deep Root Depths, but I also looked at where Estelle is. Let me see if I have the grace, guys. Why won't it let me? You hit Y, don't you? Don't you hit Y? I have no underground maps, guys, on this character. So crazy. This character's level 243. You hit Y to look at underground maps, right? I don't have any. Yeah. Oh, Noxtella. Dude, Chessmaster Joel Johnson is from Lowell, Mass. Maybe it was Joel, man. Oh, yeah, you get it from the port near Ranny, huh? Well, I bet the port's open then. I bet, is it the port? Oh, no, but that port will take me to Noxtella, right? The 426 guy, you would think, would have all this stuff. How did the 426 guy, how does he not have Estelle's grace, guys? Look. See what I'm saying? Estelle's great. Estelle's right here, man. Lake of Rot's over here. I don't have any of that. He was looking to challenge it like his shirt. Yeah, so, Trey just slaughtered an invader. No! I want to play with invaders. How long does it take to get through Noxtella, man? Do you guys want to meet me at Noxtella and run me through to the Rot Lake? But in order to do that, don't I have to port from Randy's freaking Rise or something? Maybe we should do Montgomery to Volcano Manor in Big Bonk instead. Well, not from Randy's Rise, but you port from the other Rena's Rise. Yeah. Let me just run over there and see. Let me just run over there and see if I at least have the port. While I got this here, because it will only take me a second. We could do my Big Bonk. We could run. We were doing that the other day, right, Trey? And we never finished it. Yeah. I'm gonna look to see if I have it, but because I think it'd be fun to do Trey's thing. But how long does it take to run through freaking? What do you call it? If we run through it, we could probably run pretty quick, right, guys? Noxtella? It's open. Let's do Noxtella because that way when we're... all I gotta do is like... Whoa. Free loot, guys. Guys, sorry, I had to take the loot. Snow Witch clothes! I already had it. We took it off and put on the stupid dung clothes. Noxtella warts it is. Cool. Okay, so I just came into Noxtella at the first grace from Noxtella. Called Ansel River, Maine, I'm guessing. Well, the grace is right over here. I'm not even going to talk to little Randy, guys. I don't even want to. But I'm going to rest at this grace just to be sure I know which grace I'm at. Ansel River, Maine grace. Is that where we're going to put the fingers down? Oh, and now you're going to summon me, though, right, Trey? Because we're just going to go through this. And then... Oh, but then I won't get credit for it. But I don't really need credit for it. I'm summoning you guys. Okay, that's fine. That's what I'll do. And then when we get there, when we get to Lake of Rot, you can summon us or something, right? Is that the plan? Okay. Let me switch this into the naughty finger. And let me switch this useless thing to the naughty Taunter's Tongue. Okay, I'm putting it down, guys. Ansel River, Maine. Good. Bang. Got you. Hyeta. Yeah, we can zerg through this, man. I mean, we can run as fast as you want to. If you want to just run past everything and just get to your thing, man, I'm cool. It'll be easier if we die on the lake to resummon from the lake. Exactly. Try to summon us at Lake of Rot. Exactly. It'll be easier on the lake to resummon from the lake. Yeah, well, once we get there, you guys can just leave, and then Trey can summon me, right? And Drew. All right, guys, let's move this. Ooh.
Hey!
Whoa, at least my character has a man's voice this time. Teamwork makes the dream work. It does. We're gonna... Shooting bodies, folks. Trey is moving in for the kill. Grabbing loot. Making poop. Bad rhyme, but... Oh my god, Hayata, take a heal, please. Okay, okay, we got ads. We got ads. Does this thing have a health bar? Well, it used to. So how do we get Trey back in the game? He just puts his finger down like right here or something? I put my finger down right there. Right there. Okay, cool. Right there, he said. Invader! Invader! Right where? Can you be... If you... Oh my god. He freaking deleted him. Trey, he's on me hard. Trey, he's on me hard. Dang, Trey, I tried to get you up. What happened? How did I not get Trey up? Man, I hate thrust weapons. Hit you from a mile. Yeah, that was a freaking clean rotten night in my dungeon last night. Okay, so I guess we'll just do it again from back here, right? Ansel River Main, guys. I died before you loaded in. Gotta love it, Jackery Taylor. Man, I wanted that fool. If I was Big Bonk, I'm not lying. That dude might not have a chance. He seemed pretty proud of himself. But, I should have looked at my other spells. I only have Glintstone Ice Crag, man. That's all I have up right now. This build is for a Radagon. It's a Radagon Elden Beast. Oh, so I would have had... I see one. I got one. Oh, I see you. I see you. Got you, got you, got you. Okay. So, this is all I have equipped. Oh, because I was taking this build for, Elden Beast. Let's put this on. That looks pretty good. You could get here pretty fast on Big Bonk as well. I don't know if Big Bonk's Nocstella is open. You know what I mean? Now that big dumb thing's gone, right? Ooh, I get my runes back, so that'll be good. Yeah, man. That was... Sorry, guys. I said we could go as fast as we can, and I'm all like... Glovewort! Look! A Glovewort. Howdy, y'all. Hey, Watchful, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We... are doing my Nocstella to get me to the Rot... Lake of Rot. Right here. Just put her down. Just put her down. That must have been some pretty serious poopy. Bro, why do the ants hit so hard? They do, huh? Just put... Is that an invader? Who is that? No. Can you put it down in this hallway, or... Are you guys not, That's Drew down there? Is my internet gone or something? I'm like, I don't understand what is happening. We are almost to next grace. Who's we? Did Trey died, right? Why would you ever try a no-die run? Every time you die, you reset. Oh, I see. So just go to this grace and resummon him here, or he'll put it down here or something. Is that the idea? It's already down if you're here, right? I thought Trey could just put his name down right where he died and I'd just get him back up. Charlie has always been one to collect all the poopies as well as a picker of the pretty flowers. I am a picker of pretty flowers. Am I doing something wrong, Drew? I don't understand why Trey couldn't have just put his thing down right there. He did it last time right before we got invaded, right? He died and then he just put it down in the same spot. Yeah, but he has to run back faster to just fast travel here. Oh, I get it. I get it. Thank you. I forgot about that. Yeah, I forgot. I did. Yeah. I don't do this enough. Guys, I am getting information. I just got information, guys. As a matter of fact, let me answer this because he's one of us. I just tell him we're live on YouTube if you want to say hi. That's Sean Kirkendall, guys. Great supporter of the stream. Sean Kirkendall, great supporter of the stream. Will I die if I go across there? I bet I do, huh? I don't see a ledge. There we go. And he's talking about the food for the chillers get together. Trey, we're gonna eat like kings, man. We're gonna eat like kings. Nice. Ooh, I got out of the Terra Magica. That's no fun. Is this the fast way? Oh wait, we gotta be sure and put the poopy down, guys. Lure invaders. Guys, I screwed up. I didn't have lure invaders lit up. But it's lit up now, guys. I like to pick the pretty flowers. Kirkendall, what's up, dude? I didn't Kirkendall, I didn't read everything you were saying. I just knew that you were talking about the food for the barbecue, or yeah, for the barbecue portion of the event. Okay, I'm getting shot at from across the way. New here to YouTube, so bear with me while I figure this all out. No problem, man. There is a subscription button. It's free. It's the sub button. It's basically the follow button on YouTube. That's the one you might want to use. Oh, you're good, man. We can talk about it here. Cool, man. Cool. Where'd Trey go? Is he down low? Yeah, Trey. Can we drop here? Trey is kiting. Ooh. Trey is kiting the world, guys. Trey got all the aggro. And that's good because I like to pick the pretty flowers. It's okay, guys. I took care of him. I took care of him. So cooking up. Oh, yeah, you're good. We can talk about it here. The sides is what you need to know most about. The meat will be plentiful. Don't need to worry about that because I can use the leftovers for brisket, pork, but you make. I have to wait until someone else comments because YouTube's comments are broken to where they have a freaking heart. They have a heart covering the comment. It's amazing. What year is this? Oh, I see. Okay. The sides is what I need to know most about. The meat will be plentiful. Don't need to worry about that because I can use the leftovers for the brisket, pork butt, chili, and make back here at home. I see. Well, that's good. That's cool, man. And like I said, we'll come up with a freaking a head count a little bit closer to the event. You know what I'm saying? Because there's people still making plans and stuff to get here. And when we do, then we'll know what we're going to need. What's the fastest way out here, folks? I don't remember. I think it's this way. Isn't this Blade? We really get to do Blade together. Inventory loves pork butt. Oh my god, it's going to be great, guys. The Blight. It's okay, I took care of it. There we go. Don't worry about me, I got plenty of mana. Yeah, dude, Sean, that is awesome, dude. Thanks so much for getting back to me, man. Doesn't he spawn here? Isn't this Blade? He's not here. Did I already kill him? Oh, you guys can't help me? Well, that's gonna suck. Because this freaking... Well, you know what? This might actually not be as bad as I'm thinking it's gonna be. I don't know what's happening right now in the game. Okay, someone... Now is Blade going to appear? Come on, Blade. He's not coming. There's no Blade. Oh, okay, so I just go to the lake. So I was supposed to be running forward, you're saying. Got you. I had no idea, guys. Forgive me. I didn't know what to do. So this just takes me right there or something? Is that it? We were there and that's why you guys bailed? I'm coming. And there we go. Just like you have it now. Give me 1 second, guys. All I have to do is memorize one happy little spell called... memorize spell. Flame... Clean my butt. There we go. Wait. Am I still summoning you, though? Sean, what do I get for... I thought you're summoning me. Right? You're summoning me now, right, Trey? I gotta put down my little dirty finger. Yep, that's what I thought. Cool. I literally put down the summoning sign. Okay, and that must have been Drew. That must have been Drew available for you. So I had to make mine go away. Yeah. Drew left me. No! It's okay, he'll come back. Just don't forget to put down the dirty tongue. Did I click on yours, Drew? I didn't think I did. Sorry if I did. So Crookmano said, I'll have some burnt ends for anyone that can show me they follow Charlie on YouTube and Facebook, especially Special Edition eats for those support. Love it, man. And Crookmano said, figure I'd do some smoked baked beans, potato salad, and mac and cheese. And my mac and cheese. See if I can impress Courtney on that one. She's a mac and cheese aficionado. And your standard bread, sliced onions, pickles, and jalapenos. Dude, this is perfect, man. You tried to summon me at the same time. Great. Hopefully my shirts and hats will come in on time. Anyone's able to pick up a shirt and hat. Even a dog bandana for the pets. Cool, man. You guys ready? I don't think I have that one. I just have this one. I don't have the cool one. I don't think I have it. Kurgandal, it's gonna be absolutely magical, man. And like I said, as long as we got that date is that Saturday the 23rd, right? That's the only thing that matters. Oh wait. Supporter hype is a reality. Oh. We're trying to run from the poopies. Nothing like a nice little flame cleanse me to get the juices flowing. Watch your back, Trey. You got blight poopies. Oh my god. You guys don't want to deal with these blight poopers? Is it unnecessary? Did they already move on to another lifestyle? Okay, lifestyle change. Got you. You fight him on this little poopy? Okay. Oh, he's gonna hit him with the Loretta's longbow. Why am I scared? It's like we're all gonna get hit every time. I could have rolled that maybe. I'd try to roll it. I think I took care of it. Swatted me like a fly. He swatted me pretty good too. Hey, I got a rune arc though, so I'll take that. Oh. Okay, so here's the thing though, man. I mean, I can just run to the next grace. I'm gonna run to the next grace. I'm just gonna run across, okay? And I'll meet you at the next grace, Trey. That's the move, because I don't have it. But I got Flame Cleanse me, so goes pretty quick. I'm not gonna kill anything. There's more little poopy blight guys, but they don't scare me. Swatted me like a fly. I keep moving the wrong way. I can't turn my body around, guys. I'm not a good parkour specialist. Now I think I can just run. Because I got the flame cleanse me and the pots. That was probably dumb. You just got to drink. Yeah, it slowed it down. But no, I'm good. I'm going to make it. I'm going to rest at the Grace real quick before we go in. Stelio is going to be my little, I'm going to make Estelle my new girlfriend, guys. It's going to be really nice. But I'm going to do it real sweet. Like, I'm going to be real nice about it. It's pretty awesome. You guys are going to freaking love it. Swatted me like a fly, he said. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I'll play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark, folks. We are the chillers. We have the great community that was born from the chess stream on Facebook Gaming. Okay. I'm going to rest. And now we are having a wonderful time on YouTube with the After Darks. So, first Grace, I guess? Right? Because we're running together? I'm guessing. I like to pick the pretty flowers. Are there pretty flowers I could pick? Does anyone know if there's pretty flowers? Have you seen my baseball? Have you seen my pretty flowers? Too bad this is too far down. You could just drop off, right? First Grace, Trey? You guys are already killing Estelle, I bet, right? Is she half dead? Watch out for the tail whip. Alright, being summoned. There are some pretty flowers down there. Cool, cool. We don't have to clear everything for the pretty flowers, guys. This is Trey's playthrough. I'm taking Trey's lead, okay? You just lead the way, Trey. Did you put down the dirty tongue? As a rule, it's kind of nice to keep the dirty tongue down. You know what I mean? In case some fool wants to get... Whoa. Was I not supposed to drop? Is Trey going for the poopy dragon? I get the flame cleanse me. Snitches get stitches! You got one on you, man. I guess I gotta get in a fight. Snitches get stitches! Good. I got the flame cleanse my strength, so that should be nice. Invader! Invader! Come on, It's okay, guys. I took care of it. The hell was that? What invader? Tongue is wriggling. I probably could have pulled him because I get the magic flame cleanse me. Might have hit him. He has a health bar, guys. I took care of it. It's okay, guys. I took care of it. You still up? It takes a long time to die. I swear I had two dying animations on my screen. And I'm gonna be oh, we got mana pots for killing him, so that's good. That was one mean stare, Charlie. What invader? Who'd I stare at? Were you talking about the invader? I was hiding. I was trying to trick that fool. Snitches get stitches. This one sees me. Okay. Oh my god, snitches are getting stitches. I just drank mana. Oh, I needed mana. Isn't there a dagger up here or something? I like to pick the pretty daggers and a couple of pretty flowers. Oh, this is Trey's playthrough. No dagger for me. Our pets' heads are falling off. Dude, our pets' heads are falling off, man. Huh. Guys. Alright. I love that. I didn't have to run there. I could goof around, and then we just enter the animation. Okay, I've got just like a pretty stock kind of a build going here. I don't have a whole bunch of mana pots. Okay, I don't have any nukes. I'm going to be kind of like, does Frost hurt Estelle? Because that's what I've got going. Oof, use my physic in low FP. Can we warming stone? I'll drop warming stone. Yeah, let me drop a warming stone because if I can find one. I'm sure I got one. Do they stack? Let's see. It's pretty quick. Popping a starlight shard. Do you need a starlight shard? Wait, no. I just don't want to get hit by the poopy tail with the lag. He hit me. Get a little low on everything. That helped, though. What's with the freaking teleporting? Oh, he sees me now. He wants me. Okay. I gotta do some damage so I can be helpful to the team. Okay, I got picked up like a pooper. I can waste my last health pot right now. Oh my god! I don't care if I die, I just want to help Trey get... Oh, well, I mean... Why won't he die? Am I dead? I took care of it, guys. If he fell on me, I might have died. I'll take the free rune arc.
Hey!
All right. So what do you got now? Something else? Kurganel said hopefully. Oh, yeah. Okay. He said locked in 3 briskets to be cut and trimmed the week before the event. Just got off my phone with my butcher supplier. Nice. Have to chase down the pork butts, but I'm not afraid of chasing down. But Kurganel. All right, man. Like we said, I wouldn't be ordering food yet until we have a head count. But like you said, if there's leftover, you can still use it. We could do Maya Stell, same spot, right, guys? I just summon you back at the Grand Cloister. You guys want to do Maya Stell? I put it down. Looking for the other. Now, with these new names, I don't know who's who. Oh, yeah, that's Drew, I think. I think I was probably doing some damn. Oh, I see him now. Let me summon this and then I'll look at my equipment. Grabbing the ring from Renala. Nice. Equipment Dorio. Estelle probably does physical damage. He does, yeah, because there's gravity stuff, and then there's whacking around. Sorcery, 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 sorceries. Yeah, no, this is it, man. This is me, guys. This is me. Kurganel said, absolutely, my man. That's the thing about this beef guy. You have to get the request in ASAP. If we only use one, that's okay. I can try 8 zones we don't use. I see. Don't forget the dirty tongue. The dirty tongue is now down. Thank you. Estelle does magic and physical. Right, right. The dirty tongue is down, folks. That was kind of cool. I don't need that dagger and stuff, guys. I don't care about no stinky dagger. I'm going to go lay down and we're going to kill Estelle. Feel? You guys feel? With full pots this time. I wouldn't mind some leftovers either. Well, it's going to be fun. I'll tell you this. It's going to be freaking fun. We're going to eat like kings. We're going to party down on Saturday night. We're going to sing the Hallig Tree song. We're going to sing the freaking Hallig Tree song. The dirty tongue we do in Lingua Tacos as well. I'll smoke some cow tongue. No! I'm excited to try Sean's food. Oh, yeah. No, I already know it's going to be freaking top notch, man. This guy, Sean, is so passionate about his food, man. I loved hearing him talk about it. Like the same way he's talking about it right now. I loved hearing him talk about it in the After Darks. You actually love Lingua, man. I'm not so much of the Lingua guy. It seems like a consistency. It's kind of weird. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah. Hey, man. Whatever you guys are into, but... Okay. Yeah. Hey! Okay, now, I almost freaking died last time. I really did. Oh, and I just remembered... I think... When did I burn a rune arc? Oh, that was with another character. Because I'm like, wait a minute. Yeah, because my rune arc's here. Oh, I'm getting rune arcs. I got rune arcs for helping you today. That's good. If there's anything else you need, let me know. Because,
Hey!
You guys ready? Standard is down, folks. We're going. I hate that. Now I want to, like, I feel like looking up might get me... No, I thought that was too quick. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget. This is NG plus 8. No one got hurt. I went down. Take him out if you can. Okay. I want to hit this one first. Okay, yeah, that was not healthy. That was not healthy. I just wasted mana. It's a slow fight because this is not a cheese build. Come on, I take hit with every freaking... I take damn with every hit. Okay, well, 55%. The brisket and burnt ends are gonna have me gain weight for sure. I am a fiend. Snitches get stitches and wind up in ditches. Okay. Trey, is there a way to set up a nuclear power plant on this fool? Wow, I ain't doing any damage. I'm not doing any damage either, really. It's freaking crazy. Was I supposed to go to the Grace? Was I supposed to go to the Grace? I went to the fog wall. Is that a mistake? Man, I'm going to be honest, says Sean Kirkendall. It'll be my grandmother's recipe for the mac and cheese. I'll just have to smoke it to finish it. Oh, we have to go over there, right? I'll see if I can put my sign down there. If I screw it up, guys, I can run in and die and go back to the Grace. How else? Because you guys are gonna have to do the same thing. You guys are you guys are just gonna have to run from the freaking Grace, huh? I should have gone to the Grace, guys. I'm sorry. So I bet most times you go to the Grace, right? And you don't do stakes when you're... Yeah, I'm waiting for sure until you guys tell me different. Until you got... Oh, but I still got to put it down. Oh, no. It's down. I put down the Taunter's Tongue, guys, just in case. Just so you guys could get invaded on the way. We run back from Estelle's Grace. Oh, because you guys are in there. I see. You guys already got it open. So it's not that far. I mean, it's a big arena. Guys, there's a parkour thing. I'm just kidding. There's no parkour here. I mean, this silly finger is down. Got one here. Got Hyetta. Oh, and I got Drew here. Okay. I have 3 freaking rune arcs, man. 3 freaking rune arcs. I'm not burning one. I just gotta stay alive. Maybe I should stay alive because this is my thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take this off and throw like you said physical and magic. Did you say physical and magic? I thought the... Does he have magic in there too? That's correct. Okay. So, yeah, so I'm set up a little bit more for a little bit damn negation this time, guys. Okay, so I should be able to do a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Buffing. I'm buffing a Vampire Slayer. Okay. Let's go! But it's up to me to dodge the poopies. Oh my god. He shot at one of you guys. Still shooting at one of you guys. How does he just freaking lift us up every time? Is this like that same thing that happened with Godfrey or something? Is it like a range thing or something? Is it because we're underneath him? Good dodge, I think. Well, he didn't almost kill me when he teleported that time, so that's good news. This is looking much better. Yeah, I think someone was out of range of that, and that was good. Come on, let me up. God. I gotta top off because these guys got health. He's been at 50% for like freaking a long time right now. Getting some damn on him. I'm drinking. I'm drinking to stay up, guys. Did Trey get a little nuke off? Okay. Good job. Good job. At the end there, I didn't even care. All I wanted to do was, all I wanted to do was not die. Hey, we all three come through, man. That was the NG plus 8 Estelle. Nice, guys. Thank you, guys. So, anything now? Anything that you guys wanted to do? Did you want to go do that Volcano Manor thing we were talking about? Oh, I got runes in here. Drew finished him, I think. Was it me? It definitely was not me because I stopped attacking because I was like, I had like 15 to 20% of my health was gone. And I'm like, you have a health pot, just drink it. Estelle's at freaking 2%. Don't die. Just let this be done. There's a Grace over here. Got him with Destined Death. Cool, cool. Wasn't me. Meet me upstairs. Meet me upstairs. What does that mean, meet me upstairs? What does upstairs mean? In the same place? You mean that the Grace that we were at before? After Adula, we should do Volcano Manor. I want to go through the gauntlet of enemies. Okay, so go back to that Grace. What's the Grace called? The Cloister. Should I do that now? Because I thought we were doing the probably gonna do trays. I mean, it only takes a second for me to go have it. Church from the Cuckoo. I'm gonna go see my pumpkin-loving friend, guys. She's a little creepy. Yeah. Upstairs for Dula. Pumpkin-loving friend. Finally, guys, we get to open this freaking... What is in this box? I've never even... Why did it stay locked? Was there something I was supposed to do? I'll do it later. I don't need it, right? I don't need it to help Trey. I'm going Grand Cloister. No, like to go get the ring and go past Estelle to get upstairs. Oh, okay. Well then, I get it. Okay, so what do I gotta run to the door and have it say you need the key. Am I right? You gotta run to the door. Need the discarded playhouse key to open it. Randy's quest line. Yeah, that much I know, but you don't get the key unless you run here, obviously, because the thing is locked. Oh. So you're telling me I haven't done other stuff? You're telling me that there's other stuff on the quest line I haven't done? I think maybe I was supposed to do the baby Randy doll. I'm like, I'm not talking to the baby Randy doll. That's hilarious. Okay. So you want to do the Volcano Manor scenario. You guys are right. Okay, running to Volcano Manor for me. Let me see. Oh no, I've got all my Volcano Manor is all lit up, man. Is this for you? Is this for you? Oh right. Oh, you're right. You're right. It's Big Bonk. Oh, that'll be fun. Quit game. I forgot the character. Big Bonk. Big Bonk. And I'll see the closest grace I have from there. I don't know how far we got. Road of Iniquity side path. Is that where we were? We're getting back on the Big Bonk build, folks. This is a Big Bonk cheese build. It works out very well. This is my NG plus 3, I think. Load game. Big Bonk is this guy. Yeah, because we finished. So you can finish the game and still go do. Am I invaded? I hate whenever I come back here. I feel like I'm being invaded, folks. Okay, and looking at my I don't have any Road from Iniquity. Let me see. Closest grace I think I have is Windmill Village, guys. I don't have any other graces. Where is the Road from Iniquity? It'll be faster for me to ride over there, right? My new Dragon Bleed tank guy is like the Terminator. I am at the Road of Iniquity side path. I don't know. I'm not sure where that is. I know this is the way I always run to go to Volcano Manor, folks. Volcano Manor. Have you seen the way they kill Rykard with the Serpent Hunter, where they like do the shield block thing, where they do they block and then poke and block and then poke and block and then poke? Has anyone ever seen that? Iniquity, is it the one that's like down underneath the bridge? You ride, I'll find a grace to port to. Yep. There's a grace under here, but I could keep running. But I mean, you don't run all to Volcano Manor. You got to do like all of Mount Gilmer and stuff, right? Which I mean could be fun. Graces across that bridge. That bridge was broken. That bridge works. I'll go. Well, Road of Iniquity side path. Yeah, it's underneath the bridge. The one you're on your way to. Okay, so put my finger down here. Let me switch this. Switch it for the dirty finger. Okay. Think we'll get invaded, guys? Is this going to be a hot spot for invasions? How come we're not getting invaded, man? We're not getting enough. I got to put out the dirty finger. Lure invaders. I summon one. I don't see the other one yet. I'm going to get the high ground. I'm going to take the high ground. Put the bonks away for maximum visibility. If we get invaded and my bonks are out, guys, we could be in a lot of trouble. Gotta love the invasions. The invasions are the best part of this, man. Oop, I got it. Guys, I'm just saying, if we get invaded and my big bonks are not my hands, bad things could happen. Okay, so let's just get everybody here. Let's get the big bonks back out. There we go. Feel much safer. And we're going to run. The only rule for this playthrough, guys, is have fun and do whatever the hell you want to do. You feel? Those are the rules. Those are the rules. The only rules, Aussie rules. Hayata's AFK. Hayata. Was he still zoning in? That was the world's longest zoning. He made it, though. That's freaking good news. Okay, moving forward. Yeah, see, one does not simply run to Volcano Manor. I mean, we have to do the Mount Gilmer experience, right? We have to kill the Falling Star Beast or whichever. My hammers, guys, they're too strong. I jumped in front of that guy so he could hit me. Yeah, your shield doesn't impress me very much. Oh my god. Get bonked, buddy. Where's your sister? The one with the torch. She has you have a stick with fire on it. This is the best way to get. No, we don't want to stop luring invaders. We want to. Someone just seppuku'd. Someone just seppuku'd, folks. Get stand broke, buddy. You're going down. You're going down to the big bonk. Feel the power of the bonk. It's okay, I took care of it. Gotta love the invasions. Once again, it's after dark. Jason Staffen, how you doing, brother? Why is it blocked? How come we didn't get invaded yet? He thought he was going to use his shield, guys. How come we didn't get invaded yet? Anyone watching the stream, invade us at Mount Gilmer. Because we suck at PvP, and so it's like 3v1's pretty close. It's pretty close. I'm actually not into PvP that much. I ain't even flexing, guys. I'm not that good at PvP. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We'll play Elden Ring after dark, folks. We're going to be doing all the DLC. This is Drew and Trey. We're doing what we call getting the band back together. This is my big bonk build. It's like, I think, an NG plus 3 or something. I do mysteriously, surprisingly well in PvP. Like the day the Colosseums came out and stuff. I like brought my bubble cheese build. Why are they stopping? They're not allowed to come or something? And of course that doesn't work. That only works for big fat hitbox dragons, right? And I got PvP destroyed in the Colosseum's first day. Then I think I got my Reduvia daggers because my Rivers of Blood wasn't set up or something. And because I'm like, you know, this might have... No, didn't do anything, guys. Because I suck at PvP. Then I got the big bonk. And I won 3 matches in a row and quit. So this guy right here, he's retired, folks. He's retired from Colosseums. He's undefeated. 3-0 on the first day. And it's mainly because of my skill, but mostly because I got lucky. I was blocking the chest. Oh, was cooling the dude off with all those misses. You were blocking the chest, huh? Okay. I'm not sure. Did I get loot from that chest? Yeah, I think I did. The big bonk. I had a really... Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so now we just have to resummon. Okay, I'm going to rest at the next grace, right, guys? The grace is called... I'll tell you guys the name of the grace I have 882,000 rooms, guys. But you guys, if you play Elden Ring, am I invaded or something? It won't let me rest. It won't let me rest! Should I be buffing? It won't let me... Yep. Okay, guys. I gotta get lucky. If this guy's good, I got no chance. Okay, I'm gonna call that lag. He's okay. Is he cheating? Is he cheating, or is this just lag? Who's shooting at him? Ooh, a hunter. How did I not kill him? Dude, this hunter's amazing. Glad I had my ring out. Hey! Okay, I didn't do so good there. On my screen, that guy would have been dead. Double bonk, Royal Knights Resolve, probably would have got him, right? I don't know. Okay, now, let me rest at the freaking grace. I'm going to stop luring invaders till I get the band back together. Oh, I could have clicked on you guys. See, I never even think like that, guys. To be honest with you, I could have taken him out myself. The lag was a little rough. The lag was a little rough, guys. Not gonna lie. Lag, a little rough. Yeah, so if you like what you see, please consider throwing me a sub, guys. We are grinding out the watch hours. That is coming. It's happening soon, guys. The watch hours, not a problem. We're getting them. We're grinding them. Getting it. We're just playing a game, guys. Earlier on, I was working on an Aztrologer. It is a redo of my first playthrough in Elden Ring. Now we got to put the dirty tongue back out because we got the team here. Lure invaders. Good. Maybe that guy will come back. Hunter Chad. Yeah, that was cool, huh? The guy's name was Chad. All right. I had that dude. I did. The problem with the bonk is... You gonna take these fools out? Get me out of here before I die. That thing didn't last long. Whoever bought that thing should get their money back. Whoa, we got another one off to the right, folks. We can skip it, though. Hunter Chad. Okay. I wonder if, what time is it? It's 11. How late does Aggie stream? The bonk? Whoa. Put it down, guys. We got an invader. Okay. Where is it? I'm trying to hide. How am I doing? Think you can see me? I don't see the invader. I want to see the crazy... I just wanted to kind of be off to the side so the invader would invade. You know what I'm saying? Stacking runes, folks. Did the guy leave? He's at the ladder coming down. Can you shoot him off the ladder? What if I meet him? Is he trying to trick us? Is it not smart to do this? He was trying to... So he's just waiting for us because the choke punch. Now he can knock us down. I have my bubble on. Will that help? I have to try, guys. I have to try. I'm going to wait so we can be stacked. Actually, I shouldn't have gone first because I summoned you guys, huh? But it's alright. It's alright. I'm going to get up and I'm going to roll. Okay. He's going to have some gravity spell that knock me off. Oh my god, I rolled into the rock. He's doing some damn. Not much. I almost got him. I almost one-shotted him. Hey, we had to come up this way anyway, right? Didn't we have to come up this way anyway? We're just gooping around over there, right? Yeah. Do I need that grace? That was fun. Hell yeah, well played. Yeah, just got in there and freaking just rolled forward, man. He was putting them little skull poopies on me, man. And you know what? And I actually was trying to roll with them. And I got completely screwed up and trapped against a rock. And so I took full damn from all of them. And you know what? Look at my health, man. He didn't hit me with much. He didn't hit with much. Charlie been packing the big bonks. The big bonks are hard to aim, guys. At least for me. But, you know, the thing is, they do this. And, like, they hit a lot of stuff. What are we waiting for? There's loot up here, but do I need it? Rhodes, what's up, my friend? How you doing, man? Welcome, Rhodes. We're having an absolutely wonderful After Dark stream. Got my Somber 6. Thank you, Trey. Trey is a great guide. He doesn't want me to miss any loot, folks. Drew, on the other hand, is down there like, you need a Somber 6? I'll drop you a Somber 6. Let's freaking go. I'm ready to move. I wish you could auto-follow like in World of Warcraft. That'd be real nice, wouldn't it, guys? How's your night going, Rhodes? Guys, I didn't really screw up. I probably did good. But, I didn't re-up on squirrels. So, I'm probably running a little bit lower than usual on squirrels tonight. That's what I'm talking about. You see that big sweeping motion? So, like, even when you miss, stuff gets freaking whacked, you know? It's a little street sweeper, folks. It's okay, I took care of it. Okay, there we go. He's so sloppy. At least the way I do it. I don't know. So someone quit? Or did they see the carnage? Did they see us just like ignoring them and just killing stuff or what? And then they were like... Whoa, pumpkin noggin. That's it. You get an R&R, baby. Rock and roll for you. Jumping R&R. Yeah, didn't think you wanted to hang out for that one. A jump in R&R unbuffed, folks. Rock and roll. R&R stands for rock and roll. Not Royal Knights Resolve. Okay? And I know it'd be RKR, but R&R is rock and roll. So that's what we go with. Packing my house up. Are you moving, Rhodes? Dude. Cool. Is it a fun, happy kind of move? I mean, I'll tell you right now, if I was moving from my little teeny tiny house into the freaking, into Beverly freaking Hills. It would suck. Because I hate moving. I hate moving, folks. Is the dirty tongue still out? Of course, stop luring invaders. I mean, of course, don't stop luring invaders. We want all invaders. That's always fun. Not. I hate moving. Yeah, I'll tell you, a buddy of mine, man. Great friend of mine. Great, real friend. Good friend. One of my best friends. Yeah, I don't help people move. Straight. I mean, he said it that fast. When I was moving, I didn't even ask him. He has a truck like I had a truck. Yeah, I don't help people move. Do we get invaded again? Is that where they're kind of looking around? I'll bonk the fool right off the freaking... you know what. After 18 years in this place, I've got a lot of stuff to sort. Right. Find lost treasure. I bet, man. I bet, Rhodes. How far are you moving? Guys, Rhodes is moving. But how far is my question. Oh, yeah, the longer you live somewhere, it makes it that much worse. Yep, it's so true.
Welcome, dear customer. Yes, right this way.
I wonder if I whack him, if he'll chase me up the ladder. He probably won't. He'll just be mad. Yeah, I'll tell you, like, families, like moms and dads, people that get married and have kids and raise their kids and their kids move out and they live there for 20 years. You know, it doesn't have to be a really big house. 3 bedrooms, couple of bathrooms, garage. Stuff, guys. Stuff. Is there an invader or something? Those guys look like they were buffing. The poker's got a freaking shield. But I got a big bonk. You know what I'm saying? Do we get invaded? He's a... Oh, Trey was just buffing to buff because all the trash. See, so often I don't see the warning for the invasion because I'm reading chat and stuff. And I'm not good at throwing out stuff. Good job, fellas. Yeah, that was fun. Thank you, Caleb. Now, what do you do here? What do you do when the only way to move forward is... Oh, well, there's a ladder. There's the mile-high ladder, the $1 million ladder. Here comes Trey. We'll go and start the fight without him. It'll be great. Yeah. You know, I've gotten better at throwing things away, but I'll tell you, I know people that want... Some things, I try not to be wasteful, but some things I'm like, this is trash. Other people be like, no, you should see, but you give that to someone else. It's trash. Might not be for someone else, though. You know what I'm saying? A little low on mana. So let's just top off and waste a little bit more. I got Starlight Shards. I don't need mana, guys. Wait! Trey's put a cheese on him, I think. I think he's trying to... Yeah. Okay, I'm the one that can't die, I gotta remember. This guy is pretty freaking strong against Big Bonk. Yeah, it's like Estelle revisited, guys. I just jumped into him, guys. I didn't even care. Whoa! Okay, okay. It's my summons. I can't die. Oh, we gotta start over. Just jump on him. I got the high ground. There we go. He's gonna try and eliminate me. He's gonna try and eliminate me. Oh my god. I have a lot of... Who's still up? Oh my god, with a tail swipe. I didn't think that was even possible. Oh, everyone's still up. I want to get the high ground again. And land on it. Got him. Good job, guys. Okay. Looking. Hey, Somber 6, I'll take it. Falling Beast Jaw. Meet you guys over at the Grace. At the Manor? Inside the Manor? What do you guys think? Is that the Grace? Now, I think I see the... Oh, I can mount up. Yay! Good game. Yeah, man. Ba-boom. This is it, guys. So, do we go inside the Manor? In an unsafe manner. I recently moved back in October of 2023. Lived in that place for 12 years. That move sucked. Well, I'll tell you. Whoa. My last move. The actual moving part wasn't that bad because I really didn't hardly bring anything with me. So other things about it sucked. But the actual move, and then, guys, I'm telling you, I was just so fortunate. The mother of my kids is like, she's just not perfect, but she is just not petty, guys. She is not petty. Oh, who's perfect, right? But she, I don't remember opening that door. You open the door every time? I just don't remember it. And, like, I literally could go over to my previous wife's house. And some of my kids still live there. And I could walk right in there and go over to bookcase, and there's chess books in the bookcase. My chess books. It's like you say, well, then you didn't really move out. Oh, no, I moved out. It's just that she didn't throw my books away. You know what I'm saying? I don't, like, store stuff there. But she's pretty cool that way. Oh, wait. Oh, prison church. Okay. Yeah, I can get there quick because I remember... Well, I got to talk to her to get the drawing room key. I'm going to stop luring invaders for the sake of the run. Oh, yeah. My plan is to put my stuff in storage and go overseas. Join the Volcano Manor. I heard a noise. And I'm like, did I just get invaded? Might have. I didn't rest. I have 3 freaking mana pots. Oh, no. Maybe that's what I run with. Yep, outside of prison. You got it, man. You got it. I know the path. I know the path, guys. You don't have to tell me. I know it from the speed run, no-hit run that I was looking at trying to do, and, yeah. It hilariously didn't help me, it actually helped me a lot. Hey, well, no. Yeah, that's actually something I should repeat. It was something about content creation, folks. It wasn't anything about I don't even care about you. I don't care about your loot. The boys are waiting at the prison town church. Take me down to the prison town church. Overseas where? My plan is to put my stuff in storage and go overseas. Oh, I see. That was Rhodes that said that. Ah, how are you coming then? Yeah, auto follow, like, wow, would be nice. Yeah, totally, huh? Guys, I need 1 second for the coffee cam, okay? Because I got to pour myself something to drink. I'm getting really parched. Welcome to the coffee cam, folks, where you get to see my kitchen and more. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put the dirty tongue down. What is going on? They're immune to fire. Guys, give me 1 second, okay? You know how when like you're being too lazy to put water in the ice trays, and you're like, I still got so much more ice, I'm never gonna run out. And then you finally hit the ice tray wall. It's okay, I took care of it. Trey had him. I finished him off. Thanks for giving me the shot, Trey. That's one thing about Trey and Drew, man. These guys are gamers, and they know I'm streaming, so we get we get the Elden beast down to one hit or something. I don't care. I'm like, kill it. I don't care. Just kill it. A lot of times, Drew or Trey, they'll hold they'll hold their hand. They'll what's the word? You know what I'm saying? Isn't there a guy down here that hits real hard? Guess not. These bonks suck. I just want to hit the. I just want to hit the big thing. I want to hit that thing. Get abducted! No! Good. Those things always creep me out. I mean, it's got like the word abduct a virgin in the same name. What's up, dudes? Courtney Reed! How you doing, Courtney? What are you up to? We are after darken in the community. How did your how'd your gig go? You can get grabbed by that thing? What? And poison, by the way. Do I have Bulbasaurs? I don't have green Bulbasaurs. Okay, it's going away, I guess. Someone need a warming stone? Are we good? Everyone come stand close. Stand together. Stay warm. Courtney, how'd your night go? Was it cool? I bet it was. Nice fridge magnet. You know it. Oh, yeah, let's go. We got a Godskin Noble or something, right, guys? I got poison poopies on me, though. Let me turn the lights on for you guys. The lights were on. I just want to touch the grace. You got to be careful with those freaking... Those bubble-headed freaks. They will freaking kill you. And I'll tell you right now, I do not have the build to take them out. Somebody got him. Wow. You didn't die? How did you not die? Wait, we got a lizard. Is he not allowed to come in? He's allowed to come in. Did you need a warming stone? Do you guys want to warm up a little bit? I already got the grace. It was good, no stress. Good. Inventorio, warming stone, Oreo, use it. I got plenty of them, guys. It's for a faster healing experience. We've been having a good night running around with Drew and Trey. I did some other stuff earlier for about an hour and a half, and then these guys showed up, and we've been having fun. I'm glad you had a good night, Courtney. I am. You're going to be up for a little while. I might talk to you later. Today's Wednesday, coming into Thursday. Yeah, that was a pretty nice little healing moment we just experienced. Can you create warming stones? Can you craft them? What mats do they take if you can craft them? I fell. I'm gonna die. Part of the no-hit speed run. You come up here, and whoa. I thought you could go that way. Maybe my bonks are too big, but you do go that way. You do go that way because you jump up on the freaking roof. What are you trying to do? You guys know a secret? Is there a secret thing? Roger, love that cowboy hat. What do you call that in Aussie? It's okay. I get the big bonks. Oh, are you running to like twin abductor virgins or something? Is that where you guys are going? Oh. Okay. Well, I better... Oh, I know where we are now. I just never would have got there this way. He wants me, you know why? Because I put the bonk on his butt. That was a great shot, dude. I see the Commodore coming through his brain just as... Whoa. He's still up? Just as I see the double big bonk, and the Commodore coming from this way, and the big bonk's coming from this way, and it just shut him down. Yeah. Is that what... That's what you call it in Australia? You call it a hat? Interesting. I fell too. How many guys does it take to... You ready? And... Go. Is it a one-man elevator? John Cairns. Hey, Charlie in chat. Dudes, what's up, John Cairns? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. If anyone here has not subscribed and you think you like what you see and you want to be part of a really cool community, or you don't want to be part of the community but you just want to get more streams, more videos, more what we do here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would appreciate it very much. It's a one-man elevator. What happened? Who went up? If I could just... It goes up and down so fast. Godskin Noble. Got him with the frostbite. There was a lot of poopy happened on that fool. John Karen says, had better days, brother, but... very happy to be here. Well, we're happy to have you here, my brother. And your day... I wish I could do something to take it back, but all we can do from here is have a good day. Have a better day from here. All right, brother. Now, does somebody need a warming stone before we go in here? I guess I should. Whoa, I didn't realize I could have died right there. I just jumped over something. I'm right at Godskin 2. You want to do them both? Let's smash him Elden Ring. Dude, we've been having some... This is fun, man. This build, this big bonk build was my first no-hit playthrough. No. Stop it. I've never done anything close to that. It was my first no summons playthrough. Guys, this is my first Souls game. This is my first Souls game. And I always use summons because I'm a noob, right? I mean, I was a noob. And so when I finally was going to do a no... What, did he want to rest or something? You going to go rest too? Well, then I'll go rest. If everyone's resting, I'm going to rest too. I have no pots, health, or mana. Cool. Go get the bridge and we can refresh at the grace before the boss. Absolutely. That's what we've done. And so this big bonk build was my first playthrough where I didn't use a summons. And I went through the whole game myself. No summons. That was a big deal for me. Now, little Royal Knight's Resolve. Oh wait, I'm supposed to summon. I'm supposed to reset. Where we summon, guys? We did it outside here last time, so I'm guessing we're gonna do it outside here this time. And now there's a delay, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do it here. You can port back. Why don't we just do it right here rather than... Because I already said something different. So you can just port back to this grace and do it right here, right? If you don't mind. It'll be quicker. It'll be quicker than... Yeah, we got it. I think it will. I'm telling you guys what'll be quicker. It's freaking hot in here. I'm telling you guys what'll be quicker, and I'm over here taking steak of Marika's on Estelle, right? Yeah. Or I just figured this couldn't be wrong because you got with the delay. If I start running back, and then you guys go, okay, fog door, and then I'm like, wait, and then it's like, eh. This gets it handled. Although I do not see... Wait, are we still luring Dirty Fingers? Lure invaders, of course. I want to lure the Dirty Fingers. Is he up? Is he at the fog door? Drew, are you at the fog door? I don't want to run up there until you say that. Again, you said at fog door, I believe, but I said down here, and you said that works fine. There we go. Yeah. You know, maybe one day we'll get on Discord, man. Gotcha, Drew. It just popped. Maybe one day we'll get on Discord, man. I don't know. Discord can be rough when you're streaming because, like, you guys, I trust what you guys say, right? Like, I trust you guys to talk on the stream. I don't know if you would even want to. But the crazy thing is TV's in the background. Radio in the background. That's all demonetization stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's like normal life in the background. My house is not normal. My house is a freaking streaming setup. You know what I mean? I played like Warzone with some really close friends, and it was just so hard. TV's in the background. You know, they're not professional mic muters. Everyone's not. I'm not even. Okay, here we go. Buffing, buffing, buffing. Now just let the kids have a second with him. Whoa. I'm putting poops on this fool, but he's not exactly oh, the fire. The thing's at 5% in freaking Terra Magica. What's it called? Not even Terra Magica. The other one. The freaking... I said it right earlier. The freaking nuke just comes through, man. Comma Azure. Comma Azure. Woo! Guys, 1,549,834 runes. Guys, I gain a lot of runes when I'm around you guys. You guys help me gain runes. I'll summon you guys for mine at Prison Church. Love it, love it. Prison Church, because most prisons have a church. I like to pick the pretty Prison Church. We're going. I said I screwed up and maybe didn't cover my butt on squirrels for the evening. I'm gonna use Exalted Flesh 2 next time. Okay, so equipment. Nope. Sorry guys. Takes me a second. Inventorio. Dirty finger use. There we go. No! I did it again, Drew. For some reason I thought it might be alive. Inventorio. There we go. There we go. Okay, the dirty finger is now down. Took me a minute, guys. I'm gonna beat up on this thing because I feel bad. I'm gonna be like Pumpkinhead. Some of you guys from Mount Prison Church. Yep. Does Exalted Flesh stack with Flame Grant Me Strength and Golden Bow? You would think it should, because it's like a food buff, right? A food buff should stack. Someone in chat knows. Maybe someone on Twitch. I'm looking at the Twitch spot, and I never do. I never look over here, guys. He's summoning me. Let me scroll up and see if there's been anyone on Twitch in a minute. No, everyone's on YouTube because, guys, I still can't figure out how to make the Twitch chat big. I can't figure out how to make it big. All I can do, it doesn't stack with Flame Grant Me Strength, so there's no point. So I'm wasting them. Corny Reed said, LOL, it's just a hat. Yeah. I have no oh yeah, we got that. Okay. It doesn't stack with Flame Grant Me Strength. Yeah, so does it do better than Flame Grant Me Strength? I mean, Flame Grant Me Strength is free, right? So there's that. I got like... Oh, I guess I got a ton of health pots. Would someone fall in a fire or something? What happened? Here he comes. I can drink my pot now. I can grant me strength now. How about Golden Vow and Commander Standard? Are we overdoing anything there? And I have a bubble on me? I don't want the bubble. I want the other tier. Am I wasting... You know you want me, buddy. You know why? He felt my damn, guys. He's coming after me because he knows that Trey's gonna freaking hit him with the comment is your. The big bonk with the comment is your, dude. You got no chance, guys. He's frozen in time. That was awesome, dude. Big damn good times. Rune arcs for everybody, man. Anyone else need this? Anyone else need this? Because I could use a freaking rune arc. You know what I'm saying? I need rune arcs for freaking Radagon and Elden Beast. Right? Oh, I can look here. Wait. Okay, let me just look here. You guys tell me if there's something else that we wanted to do right quick. There is my... Yep. There. I can go to my stream manager. I can look at my chat. And dude, okay, maybe the chat. I got Jupiter Smith with the follow. Today, guys, on Twitch. So we are slowly getting a little bit of work there, too. If I would just focus on Twitch, guys. You know what I mean? Any other ideas, guys? Exalted Flesh, physical damage, plus 20, 50% PvP, duration 30 seconds. It's probably more than Flame grant me strength, right? But it doesn't last as long. Okay, physical damage 20%. So it's better. Keep going to get to Rykard, boss. Okay. Yep. I think I remember we go to Godskin Noble. We go up the ladder. And I'll summon you guys outside. I'm probably going to go ahead and use my Serpent level 10. Okay. It's very exclusive. It's very expensive. Okay. And it's huge. It's going to be huge. You guys will see. You guys will see here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. That's why we're in Texas, guys. Everything's bigger in Texas. Even the Serpent... Will this bring it down? No, this ain't a catacomb. That would have been cool, right? That would have... Whoa. I just got, like, vertigo. I thought I was going up. Guys, it's the craziest feeling in the world. When you're on a little boat. And you look out the window and you're going past a really big boat. But you're sitting still. And the big boat's moving. You feel like you're moving. And it's just the weirdest freaking thing. Wait. Where's the teleport? So I got to do the run? Do I do the run? Do I do the drop down? I thought I... Oh no, I didn't do... Keep going to Rykard. I didn't do the freaking... You're right. Sorry, guys. I didn't do the freaking invasions. You gotta earn that. You can't just have that. I know. I'm sorry for anyone who's typing right now. I remember now. O ricordo. Going up. The Abductor Virgin. Your sign is down right before the Abductor. Oh, she's on me. Can we move it? Not a good time. Not a good spot. Why would you guys put it there? Let me see. Oh, I see one. Okay, where'd she go? She went to chase me? I saw one. Is this like a common spot to like put the thing? I'm like, because I got aggro right away. Where'd the Virgin go though? It was before they'd come out. So I went too far. I went too far. Trey's sign is down. Okay. We'll find it, folks. She's up. I don't see it, brother. It probably hasn't popped yet. I'm gonna give him a little bonk DPS on this fool. Just get bonked. Okay, now let's get straight. I'm on a bio break. Just keep going, y'all. Yep. Okay, so you'll move your finger later. Got you, brother. Got you. Because I still can't see it. So we'll move forward and get like to Riker, and we can summon him when we get there. Is that the plan? That didn't last long. I'm at the audience pathway. Cool. Drew can show me where that is because okay, moving forward. Making me nervous walking around with all those runes. Dude, I pulled millennia. I pulled millennia with 5 million runes in my pocket. No twig. I just did it. It was pretty funny. It was actually a mistake. Is this Whip Boy? I never kill Whip Boy because you run right past him. Wow, he cost me a whole bunch of health pots though. $1.6. Usually when I get around 1 million, I'll run and take a level. Because I'm not very far away. All I gotta remember is to pick them up. Right, Joe? Just pick them up. Get bonked. Get bonked. You're a glass cannon. If that. You're a glass pebbler. And here is the port. Whoa. Now, so do I take the port and then audience path? Wait, did he call it audience pathway? Is that what it is? Yeah. Okay, Drew left, so we take the port. Yep. Because I would have to go to the rune farm and do like, I don't know, 7 or 8 slashes or something like that. And, oh wait. I don't have to do that. 7 or 8 slashes because... Yeah, to get my level. Yeah, it goes to pathway. Now I need to make my way there. Give me 1 minute. Cool. You guys, you know what? Take a minute, guys. 1 minute break. We'll talk to chat. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. You're probably going to hear me say this again. We play Elden Ring after dark in the mornings. This is my... we just did his Elden Beast today. It's earlier in the stream. I'll probably make a VOD with it. It's my 19th Elden Beast. Was today. 19th Elden Beast. 20th Elden Beast is my Snow Witch who I did a no-hit Radagon the other day off stream. And then I've had Elden Beast to like 10% twice or less. I had him less than that off stream. Yeah, I'm not flexing. I have no proof. I wasn't recording. But I just ran and died because I couldn't finish it off stream, you know what I'm saying? People are invested, folks. People who sit there for the wipes while I'm learning how to freaking deal with Radagon. And so every time as I get better with Radagon, I take off more stuff. I stop using so many buff foods. I take off the magic scar seal thing. What's that thing called? Oh yeah, I'm not wearing it right now. The one you get from Selvius, right? Take it off and put on like some armor that will help, like physical damage or anything that can help me get through freaking Elden Beast. I'm already doing the holy damage negation, or something that will help my sword hit harder. Anything for Elden Beast. And so, as I got better at Radagon, I just made it harder and harder and harder. So Radagon's still not. I don't just wipe him every time. But Elden Beast is rough, man. Elden Beast, you got to be so good for so long. Your sign will be down at Grace. Yep, no problem, man. We'll get at the Grace. I know. Wait, did I rest? Dude, I didn't even discover it, guys. Somebody like there's a guy that watches replays, Herbert Koch. He literally will be like, "You didn't rest at the Grace. You forgot to rest at the Grace." And except it's not live anymore. But I'll see it later, and I'll be like, "I remember that." And I'm like, "No, I did rest at the Grace." And it's cool. It's cool. I love when people comment on the replays. So that's pretty cool. We come from Facebook gaming, folks. I mean, I've always been on YouTube, right? My Facebook gaming partner. Facebook, actually, believe it or not, I don't know if you heard nightmare stories about Facebook, but Facebook's been pretty good to me. There's been some rough times, too. But lately, and yeah. You know, it's been good. It's been pretty good. We're here on YouTube now to get a footing, to just spread our wings, man. It's time to spread our wings. 3.5 years I've been doing this. You know, it's time. It's time to do something. And that's what we're doing. Okay. Oh, wait. Inventorio. Oh, wait. You would think after all that time, I would be putting on my freaking sword. Serpent Hunter plus 4? Guys. Okay. I'm going to let you guys do the big damn, because I'm only going to have a plus 4, and that sucks. How the hell do I only have a plus 4? Who does that? Who freaking does that? Okay. I'm a little bit sad, but it's okay. It's okay. Give me 1 minute. My sign will be down at the Grace. Okay. Okay. That just means we'll dance with him more. Don't even upgrade mine to EH. Yeah, I know. I just like to have the plus 10. You know what I'm saying? It makes me feel like a happy camper. Ooh, wait a minute, though. God. Okay, so I'm going to just Golden Vow then. Going in. I could have put a shield in my left hand and done that thing, the poke thing. The shield poke. Hello? Am I too close for that? Too far for that? Am I standing in the poopies? What am I hearing? Okay. P1 under control. Everyone seems to be healthy. Does anyone need a warming stone or anything? I forgot to rebuff. Where'd everyone go? He hit me. Okay, I try to jump that. I try to jump that. I mean, I try to roll it. He's trying to kill me. He hates me. He hates me. Oh, wait, I know what I want. That's the one I want. Going for it. Going for the big whammy. Okay, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm a Toys R Us kid. All right, folks. Got him. That just means we'll dance with him. Yep, yep. The triple poke is real. Whoa. Good move, guys. Triple poke is real. Yeah. All right. Died but got credit. Okay, now, are you saying? Let me see what you're saying because the freaking hunted me down. Did he hunt? Yeah, I think I saw you. I saw it right over there. Okay, so that was my play. Does someone else need this? Drew. Okay, so Prison Town Church. Take me down. Oh, wait. No. Probably just right at the grace outside the door, right? Oh, I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna run back out. Yeah, just right outside the door. Cool. Let me see which direction that is. I'm thinking it's this way. Feels pretty close. Nope. Straight behind me. Ha! Totally turn around, folks. That's okay, man. We had a good day today, man. What a great chess stream earlier. Oh, okay, now this is Drew. Yeah. Okay, near the Grace. Inventorio. Get over to the dirty little finger and put it down. Use it. Okay, he's going to summon me, folks. We're going to do Reichert again. All right. Same thing. Man, I wish I had my plus 10, bro. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have just freaking said 1 second and just ran and went bam, 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 and leveled this thing to 10. It's okay. It's okay. I don't need it level 10. Second verse. Never forget the second verse, guys. Same as the first. I'm all flasked up and no place to go. Oh, please. What's that song? All dressed up and no place to go? Is that what it is? All dressed up and no place to go. Guys, I remembered how to do my ash now, but I think poking is still more efficient. Oh. Okay, well, that was my bubble, so. This boss is so strange. I had an NG plus where I was having like some trouble with phase 2. Wow, he just worked. Ooh. But it's so weird, the staggering and the noises and the damage we're doing and the way it's like, I mean, he's not looking at me right now, but he was looking at me last fight. You know what I'm saying? It's almost just like a weird kind of gimme boss that I think I've had problems with before. Whoa, tail swipe. Now watch me get eaten. Eat that, buddy. Ah! That was great. Drew freaking clipped his tail right as he was striking for me. That was cool, man. That was kind of fun. Yep. Yep. You even got some cheese off in phase 2. Guys. Oh my god. What is... Oh, phase 2. I forgot about phase 2. Dude, I thought we were done. Wow, I'm over here talking smack and freaking missing something in my grill, bro. There we go, looking better, dude. I thought it was Trey's trying to get the cheese off, folks. Drew's doing all the work. Big hit, big damn. There we go. Don't look at me. I got no stam. He's looking at me. Nope. Drew's put him to shame, folks. Get the poke going on. Poke salad. Ooh, that tail swipe. Now, yeah, I see. Now we got problems because of this. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Is she still up? You got this, man. Drew, finish it yourself. Finish it yourself, brother. You got this. I want to see it. I'm watching it. Oh, well, I can't watch it. Oh, but that's a good hit. Good shot. Oh, you got him, dude. He's got him, folks. He's got him down to freaking like, that was about 8%. Yeah. Yeah, Trey, man. Drew should have it. Drew is doing very well. The fight lasted a little bit long, and the skulls came out. Yeah. Did you get him, Drew? Nice! Drew is the champion. Now, did Trey need this, or did we do Trey's already? Did we do 3 of these? Guys, before anything happens, we can never let this happen again, guys. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, guys. We got to run, and we got to level. This is my NG plus 8 character, guys. How the... No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. How the hell does he not have a plus 10 Serpent Hunter? Strength and armament. There we go. Mine was done a while ago. Okay, cool. Because I was going to... I just went and leveled my sucker up because Equipment Thorio, you got to have a plus 10 Serpent Hunter, man. You know what I'm saying? It's for a quality. And as proof, I believe, as proof, this just came through the mail, folks. You can see the health bar there is empty. It's empty, folks. Because Reichard got melted by Drew. Good job, Drew. And thank you for selling photographic proof, or for sending photographic proof. That's pretty important. All right, guys. Now I want to tell you this. I freaking love you guys. Thank you for being here. Guys, if you're new to the stream, please consider throwing me a sub. We play a lot of Elden Ring. We have a cool community, man. We got a lot of good players in the chat. A lot of them are better than me. I somehow get through the game with a little help from my friends. And we're going to be doing all the DLC and just playing a ton of Elden Ring, man. So, thank you, Trey. Thank you, Drew. Thank you to all the mods. And all the new subscribers, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. We just hit, was it 780 or something, which is my new record. I don't even know where it is right now. I don't have a counter, but I know that it's we're getting them, guys. So thank you. Throw me a sub, if you will. Like it, share it, all that stuff, man. And check me out on Facebook, too, if you have any interest in chess. We have the best chess community in the world. It's true. All right, guys. Love you guys. Thank you.